Welcome to my bakery. いらっしゃいませ. Ready? Step into my candy world, neon sugar lights. Whisking drinks together, watch them come alive. Sprinkles falling softly like a pastel rain. Every little flavor dancing in your brain. Apron tied in ribbons, flower on my cheek. If it's getting messy, then it's kinda peak. Mix it faster, spin it, don't you look away. Something sweet is about to detonate. Turn it up, don't think twice. ちょっと cry over spice. If it sparkles, that's the sign. 限界なんてない. Swirl it with its sugar rush. ドキドキして blush, blush, blush. Sweet chaos overflow. 一口で lose control. Drip it, glaze it, candy rain. No night dancing, feel the case. Sweet. One more taste, you're hypnotized. ここは甘い paradise. Pop, pop, pop cake. 持ってちょうだい. Spin it, flip it, taste it. やめられないでしょ. Burn it, oops, whatever, we can fix it quick. Turn it into something extra aesthetic. Strawberry galaxies, caramel skies. Every single layer's a sweet surprise. Tiny stars are glowing in the icing glaze. Every bite you take puts you in a daze. Close your eyes, I'll guide you through the taste. Don't you wanna stay in this place? No control, just let go. 甘さもっと overflow. If it shines, then you know. これは梅でしょ. Swirl it with its sugar rush. ドキドキして blush, blush, blush. Sweet chaos overflow. 一口で lose control. Drip it, glaze it, candy rain. 感覚全部 melting brain. One more taste, you're hypnotized. ここは甘い paradise. 真夜中のオーブンライト。夢を焼いてる all night. 願い込めて rise and shine. 全部叶えるデザイン。手を取って離さないで。この味を忘れないで。二人だけの secret place. 甘すぎるこのスペース. Swirl it with its sugar rush. もっと強く push, push, push. Sweet chaos level max. 止まらない no relax. Drip it, glaze it, candy rain. 名前呼んで again, again. One more bite, don't fade away. ずっとここで play my game. また来てね. I'll bake something even sweeter.
Hello, 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 hello. Well, looks we are alone at the moment, which we then, if that's the case, I mean, I'm not even going to spend much time in welcomes, cause I mean, we're alone at the moment, so let's go straight into this. I mean, we need to do the finishing touches. This wow, 4 people returned by that. Welcome back to the bakery. Returned by that. Welcome back to the bakery. I was thinking I was alone and all of a sudden 4 people. Welcome back. So I almost products. Welcome. I almost nailed the intro of the game. I mean, we are almost there. I mean, I have almost all the footage. I need to redo some spoken audio and add a little bit of more spoken audio and then sound effects, some visual effects and the background music. But we have how is everyone doing today? Well, I am doing fine. I mean, I woke up at 3:30 in the morning, and I started working at the channel. I mean, seriously, I mean, I went to sleep. It was around 10, and then I woke up at 3:30, and I've been working since 3:30. Really taken to Dima, I'm not alone anymore. Dima, welcome back to the bakery, Dima, and good Monday morning to you. Dima, thanks for dropping in, thanks for tuning in, Dima. So yeah, everyone is here now. I see, 7 people, nice. Welcome everyone, so we are really going to nail down the intro of the game. Do you want to have a look of how is the situation now? Let me show what is the situation. I mean, I need to remake some edits, some sound in particular, some voice, and then we need to put background music and other stuff, some effects. But I think we got the most of it. Let's have a look. This is how the intro of the game is at the moment. And that is why mathematically the limited banner is a scam, and I will be pulling on it anyway. Chef notes. That's the whole stream. Ming, welcome back to the bakery, Ming. Welcome back to the. I was just about to play the intro. Well, I mean, what I'm working at the moment on, but then you came and then decided let me greet you properly, and then so you can watch this from the beginning. Welcome, Ming. Welcome back to the bakery, Ming. Okay, so this is the status of the things as of today, and I think I really want to finish this today or tomorrow maximum, because there isn't really much to do left. I have to fix some audio, but let's have a look. And that is why mathematically the limited banner is a scam, and I will be pulling on it anyway. Chef notes. That's the whole stream. And how exactly am I supposed to show you my cake? I do not have an oven, I do not even have a kitchen. I have a gaming chair and a super chat total that says we are not buying appliances today. Behind me? Chat, what are you talking about?
Manager note, I flagged the oven in the room inventory twice. It is in the onboarding document under Appliances Unexplained.
At last, 1,000 years I waited, cold and unguarded, behind the gaming chair. Now, Luna, bring me some ingredients and let's cook.
Okay, you heard the folks. We're doing this now, partner. You wanted cake? Let's bake a cake.
So what? There's still a lot to do. And James on Bay, welcome back to the bakery. Welcome back to my bakery. There is still a lot to do. I mean, it still looks like a collection of things together. You need to, yeah, I know, Dima, I know. And I wish you a good day, Dima. I wish you a good day at school, a good school day. Do your best to your students. I mean, they need you, Dima. I wish you a good day, okay? And see you later if I will still be here when you come back, okay? Have a good day, Dima. So, I mean, at the moment, this still looks like a lot of stuff bunched up together that doesn't really make much sense, okay? I mean, there is a small story, there is continuity, but I mean, the audio and I mean, the overall vibe, I mean, it still seems like a collection of things rather than, I mean, a concrete, how can I say, a concrete, well, a finished sort of stuff. So we need to fix all these small details. So one thing that I need to do, I think we also need I think it's under settings, right? Yes, under archive chat. Where is the archive chat? We need to get back some comments. Comments. So I think I want another comments where the people to say cake. And I mean that slides from the bottom to the top. Okay, is loading all the archive chats. We have to wait a little bit. And we really need to add some sparkles, I mean, and some visual effects, and I mean, and some other audios. In the meanwhile, I can record something here, because I think I need this. Let me record this, okay? Cake. Cake. Uh-huh. Okay, we will use this what I just said for another part. Update on the description along can be song in thumbnail. Where it is, package gaming, no, is not this. Create chat message animation. This is the one I need to unarchive. Let's go here. Create chat message animation. Okay, I need another one. Same timing, same animation, same everything, but you need to change the username, and we call him Cake Enthusiast, and the message should be show me your cake. Show me your cake. Okay, then we fix this. Then we fix Destiny. Destiny Sullivan, welcome back to my bakery. We are basically fixing the intro of my game, because we are almost there. There isn't really much left to do. We have to fix some audio and add a little bit of graphics and sound effects and such, and make it a little bit more coherent. But we are really close to a final product. So we're almost there. So I really hope we can get this nailed down properly. So and we got this here. Yes. Let's get this here. And that should be the audio we just recorded, right? Where it is the audio we just recorded? Where it is? 2022 9. Oh, this is probably, yes. This is the file, yes. I mean, oh, look at the lag. We're lagging back again with these things. We're lagging very back again with this. Oh, look at this. What's wrong? I think it's probably the tablet. I mean, it's probably the tablet. It's very laggy. I have to use the mouse. I mean, this sort of the vid. I'm allowed to eat snacks in the bakery. Well, of course you are allowed. This is a bakery. I mean, why would there ever be a problem in you eating stuff in the bakery? I mean, it's a bakery, right? So why there would ever be a problem here? I mean, in you eating stuff in the bakery. So how do we do this? Probably this way. Let me see if these things now works. Okay, let's see how it is. This cake. And how exactly am I supposed to cake? Okay, maybe we have to invert this. And this, and so that it sounds more or less like this, right? And that should do. Let's listen to this. Cake. Cake. And how exactly am I supposed to show you my... Maybe we keep this a little bit lower. Just a little bit lower in volume, so it isn't so loud. So more like she's thinking. Cake. 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 Maybe we don't need this. Maybe we just keep them later and that should do it, right? Cake. Cake. And how exactly am I supposed to show you my cake? So yeah. That's way better, right? That's way better. And this is absolutely way better, especially if we add then this as soon as this finish renders. I mean, this should give even more momentum to that moment in which Luna realizes, I mean, she needs to bake cakes, right? And one thing I need to record completely, because I mean I gave the original audio into the video generator, but it completely changed my audio into something different, which isn't exactly what I wanted to say. And is this part here? Is this part here?
Okay, you heard the folks. We're doing this now, partner. You wanted cake? Let's bake a cake.
So, okay. You hear it, folks. You should say, okay. The oven talks. You hear it, chat? Let's bake a cake. So, I mean, for some reason, it changed. It changed what I wanted to say. So, I mean, and the problem is, I mean, I will need some time to fix this properly, because, I mean, it needs to be in time, in lip sync with what I'm saying. So, this will probably be a disaster, I guess. I guess this will be a little bit of a disaster. Voice over record. I mean, I am tempted to do this directly here, but I think I can directly record in Premiere, because my audio is linked to the stream software. So I think we have to record into OBS and then import the audio. So let me listen to this. It says, let me see. Okay, the oven talks. Let's try this. Okay, the oven talks. Okay, we start with this. And that should be part 1. We probably need to merge this into small pieces. And fix it one piece at a time. The oven talks. Okay, the oven talks. Okay, and that should be part 1. Okay, the oven talks. Let's put this here. Jesus, it's lagging so badly. Let's listen. If I mute this, how does this sound? Right? Because that's the real challenge. We need to see that the lip sync is correct. So okay, the oven talks. Good, we got this. The first part is perfect. Then I need to redo the second one. The oven talks. And then here it should say,
We're doing this now, partner.
we're doing this now, chat.
You wanted cake?
We do it now, chat. That's what should say right here. Right? This is what she should say. We do it now, chat. So that's exactly what she should say here. Let's see if the record is good. Open with, yeah, let's hope it recorded nicely. Let me listen. We do it now, chat. Okay, that's nice. That should do. Let me rename this properly. And okay, and then we merge all this, and we should almost have everything we need. Almost, and then we can go deep into sound recording. We do it now, chat. Okay, that's the second point. Okay. Jesus, why this thing is so laggy today? Jesus, I hate myself. Let's listen to this. Hopefully it's good. Okay, the oven talks. We do it now, chat. We do it now, chat. Just a little bit. I mean, it's quite good. Not exactly perfect, but... Okay, the oven talks. We do it now, chat. You want a cake? Let's bake a cake, right? You wanted cake? She should say you wanted cake, then let's bake a cake, right? That's what she should say, right?
Partner, you wanted cake? Let's bake a cake.
You wanted cake? Let's bake a cake. And that should be it. You wanted cake? Let's bake a cake. Okay, probably this should do it, right? I mean, let's see if this fix this. Cause I mean, when I recorded that, it completely changed the original audio I sent it. Which was very annoying. Let's bake a cake. And that should be let's bake a cake. Let's bake a cake. And if this is on time, I mean, we have solved almost the majority of our problems. We just need some. Oh, see the audio? The audio seems quite nice. I mean, seems quite nice. Let's see. Let's have a look. That? You wanted cake? Let's bake a cake. Oh, perfect! And that is why mathematically perfect. We got this. We remade the messed up audio. And so we can probably unlink this and delete this. And we are now in a very good spot, cause now most of the audio of the spoken audio is relatively good. And we just need, I probably need something here in which I say, yeah, I think I need something here, right? This should be, this should be anything. If I make cake, with an oven I can bake. And with cakes comes money. Yeah. This is what you say, Luna here. I mean, with an oven, I can bake. And with cakes comes money. Yeah, that's probably what Luna should say here, right? I mean, absolutely. With this fucking smug face she has here. I mean, look at my smug face here. I mean, like I'm plotting some sort of evil plan. But I'm not sure about the length of the audio, so we need to be sure that the audio is good here. But yeah, that should probably let's see. With cakes come money, right? With cakes comes money, right? I mean, this is Luna plotting. I mean, plotting something very bad here, right? I mean, with cakes come money. Yes, Luna. I mean, you probably got it right. Oh, okay. It seems quite good. I mean, let's listen.
Book.
With an oven, I can bake, and with cakes comes money. Okay, that's good. That's quite good, right? I mean, with an oven, I can bake, and with cakes comes money. Okay, the oven talks. We do it now, chat. You wanted cake? Let's bake a cake. Yeah. We nailed down the audio. Now we go into the funny part, I guess, or in the nightmare part, which is we need to make this looks like a fucking video, right? So now we go into deep editing, effects, and sound design, which is a science on its own. Okay, it's a science on its own. I mean, it's really a science on its own, cause Cause yeah, I mean you just I mean you think that I mean you make all the videos but I mean stitching a lot of videos together I mean doesn't necessarily makes a good finished products. So
And
you
that
really
is why mathematically the limited banner is a scam, and I will be pulling on it anyway. Chef notes. That's the whole stream.
we need the
Cake. Cake.
Damn bro, welcome back to the bakery, damn bro, nice, welcome back to the bakery. We are editing. Editing the intro of the game that we are making. The intro is almost done. I mean, we are just adding polishing and good sound design and finishing touch. I mean, I would dare say is 75% done. I mean, you just need to clean up the sound, make everything sound really polite, be sure that all the transition are the changes from one scene to the other are clean and very well done. I mean, we just need to add the sparkles, the icing on top of the cake, as people will say. And I think in this case is quite the case here. Also, I think I need to get these two things down here, cause I think I have to.
Behind me? Chat, what are you talking about?
Okay, this is good, but this one is quite
At last,
we need to remake all this sound here, all the details. I mean, we have to do, we have a lot to do, seriously. We really have a lot to do. So let's make this a little bit bigger. We probably don't need too much of the DJ track here, cause we need probably the audio track a little bit more clear and this, and we can visually see this better. So I think we should also by the way, this should be ready, right? I mean, the things that we were doing here, this should be ready, right? This is absolutely ready, so we can take this into Premiere. Oops, I opened Photoshop but it that because Photoshop becomes very annoying. Go here into Premiere and let me grab this cake enthusiast. So, and we put this more or less here, right? This is, oh, I think I need a new track here. Add that track. Very good, right? Very good. So we have more tracks here, and this should come more or less here, right? This should come here. Show me your cake, Let's feed this. Cake enthusiast. Show me your cake, right? Something like that. And this needs absolutely the green screen treatment here, which we will copy from here, probably. We copy the Ultra T from this clip. We apply it here, paste. And let's see.
Cake.
Right, something like that. So we have cake enthusiast here that is basically, I mean, trying to brainwash Luna into cake business, which, I mean, I think it's a good idea, don't get me wrong. And we have it ended here, right? So it's something like that. I mean,
Cake.
And okay, so now it's nicer. Do we need just maybe probably one show me your cake, right? I think I want to change this. Change it so it says only once show me your cake. So cause now it says it 2 times, and so we make it that it says only once. So also make the word box a little bit more smaller, because I mean for the height. I mean, the width, I guess it's fine, but you need to fix a little bit the height. Oh, actually, I think you could probably also fix the length too. So I mean, it's more or less balanced, and you can position everything in the center again. And at the end of show me your cake, there should be an exclamation mark rather than a normal dot. So try to do these fixes and show me the next video. And make the new edited video. So we fix this because I think it can be better. It can be a little bit better, but we are on a good track here because this is almost what we really want here, right? So and I think also we should have these chatty things here also repeated here when there is the other chat, right? When there is the other chat moment in which she is watching the screen, right? I mean, like turn around, Luna, something like that, right? I mean, this is where we probably need another piece, right? So this gets overlapped, so we probably bring this down. We copy this here, and let's see.
Behind me? Chat, what
And that should probably do it, right? I mean,
behind me? Chat, what are you talking about?
yeah, it's a little bit too much, but yeah, probably something like that, right?
Behind me? Chat, what are you talking about?
Yeah, and then probably we need something like introducing Owen the Owen, right? I mean, with a right. We need something like that. Let's do this. Let's do this here. I need you to use image generation to make some cool lettering. I mean, that says introducing Owen the Oven. And it should be on a green screen background, but it should be really cinematics, all caps. I mean, and with a good layout. I mean, with a really good layout that it makes it look like a title or something like that. Or so I mean, try to give me an image like this. It should be 69 horizontal pens with a chroma green background. So yeah. We add details here. So that is very cinematographics here. Yeah, and also yeah. And then we do the same with Luna. And yeah, so maybe introducing a special guest, something like that. Yeah, something like that. Starring Luna Mew, with her best friend Chappie, and then introducing over the. So we give names to the characters. So that we makes this a little bit more cinematic, right? So that it looks like a real fucking intro, right? Something like that. Yeah. We need. Jordan. Cat Stevens. No, I don't even know who Cat Stevens is. I mean, introducing Owen the Oven. Okay, that's nice. That's nice. Very good. Now I need something similar but with different colors. That says starring Luna Mew. Maybe with a more cute font, something like that. Introducing Owen the Oven. Okay, let's see how this feels. I'm a fucking retard. I mean, you should absolutely kill me. I mean, cause I am an absolute redder. I am really stupid, but and do silly, very silly things. But I guess I guess it can be altered, right? I guess it can't really be altered here, right? I mean, let's check at introducing oven the oven, and let's bring this here, right? Cause this is exactly what we need. Introducing oven the oven, right? I mean, right? I mean, and that should be, this should be here, right? I mean, here, exactly. I mean, boom. Introducing oven the oven, right? I mean, cause that's what we need here. And then this should be here. Boom. Introducing oven the oven, and this should come. I mean, this should come probably. I mean, I'll tell you how these things should come. I mean, this should be. Maybe it should start a little bit earlier, like when the zoom comes in, and these things start from here. And we scale this, cause I'm a super redder here. We scale these things. I think it needs a little bit of positioning, more than better. I think it's anchor point here. We need some action point movement, so we are exactly in these things here. And then here these things slants down. Exactly when this begins, we make another things, and this is boom. This goes back down here, probably at 100%, right? Introducing oven the oven. Boom, look at that. We probably need the use of Cat Stevens now. Cat Stevens, born from Stephen the Metagorg, is a highly influential BD songwriter, multi-instrumentalist. Interesting. So we also need here probably the anchor point. And same is goes from here. So we have the anchor point here. Fix it. Right, make a keyframe here. I need a keyframe here. Very good. And then here, when this thing is oh, okay, why this is not what I need, this what 100%, right? And very annoying. Oh, this is the place where it should be percent, right? 100% here. Oh, this is the frame. Okay, so and okay, very good. And then we need to move the anchor point here to be right here, right? Exactly. So this stays in the middle. Right, something like that. It was big in the 1970s. Thank you very much. So we have this boom, right? I mean, let's see how these things plays out. Introducing oven the oven, right? I mean, boom. Probably something like this. Probably this is too big. This is too big, and then these things has to disappear, right? We probably need just to. We need this with some good. We need this with some easing, right? We need these things with giving some easing, right? I mean, so it's more cute, it's more cool, right? Boom, something like that. I mean, in boom, and then you hear the slam when there is the oven, right? I mean, something like that. Boom, introducing oven the oven. And probably this also needs to be scaled more, so we see actually the oven a little bit, like something like that, right? Right, and then these things disappear, right here. Right here, we delete the things here, and probably with the same transition here. Introducing oven the oven, and then these things probably can disappear faster, right? Why should we keep this all this time here, right? Right, right? We can have it, we can have it stay less for less, right? Introducing oven the oven, yeah, something like that. Oven the oven, right? This introducing oven the, or maybe we should say introducing the oven. Yeah, oven the oven, yeah, probably, yeah. Yeah, probably the only oven, yeah. Oven the oven, I guess it's fine, right? It's the only oven, and is call it oven? Yeah, probably. You can call it oven, yeah, probably, but it's only, it's holiness oven. Yeah, right. We need a little bit of yeah, probably this needs to fade. This needs to fade faster, right? Because we need sheer opacity probably on these things. We give it opacity and probably this needs to fade a little faster so we can see the oven a little bit, right? Right, because otherwise, right? Then this goes away and maybe we add this again, so these out, so, oh no, not the easy, I want these out, right? So let's take these out, no? You bastard, okay. I think I need to zoom there, otherwise it would be very hard to, okay, very good. So, let's see how these things goes here. Yeah, right, something like that, so we get this movement here, which is very nice, I guess. With the names and the boom boom. We put some effect into this and make it very cinematic. Very cinematic. Something like that. Yeah. Why not? Why not make it very cinematic? I guess. Like a movie trailer, something like that. Chappy. Boom. That seems quite quite something. So let's see if this thing is done here. Staring Luna Mew. No, why did it say Mew? With this way. Jesus. It's Mew. Not Mew. We're gonna rename it. Okay, and then we got these things here. Let me see if this thing is better. Show me your cake. Okay, perfect. Now this is nice, right? This should work. So we got the new cake thing, which we can put into. Oh Jesus! I opened it Photoshop again. I don't need Photoshop. Get away, Photoshop. Get away. So we bring this into here. Cake enthusiast. So we put this here again. This needs. Oh, okay. This needs some fixes, and let me copy the ultra key. Place this here. We just need to cut a little bit, right? Just a bit. Probably we just need to do this, right? And we're good, right?
Hey, behind me? Chat, what are you talking about?
Yeah, but they made it smaller. Which is not exactly what I wanted to be here, because this needs to be on par with this other one, right? Where is the calculator? No, that's not what it was supposed to be. Right, I think we did a mistake here, because this was supposed to be here. Right, so it still needs to be of the same size of these things, so. Right, so show me your cake. Why can't I see the other one? There should be another one. below, right? Oh, it got replaced. Replaced? Why? Oh, cause it got replaced. Okay, I see. It just got replaced. Okay, it just replaced it. It just replaced the original file, so with the new one. Okay. Okay, good. So this needs to be scaled a little bit, which is kind of annoying, but we can probably do 150, and probably needs to be positioned here, right? Something like that. Yeah, 150. So we can delete this. So we have the same piece here. We got this stupid ChatGPT here. See this stupid ChatGPT, it doesn't show. They can't just right. This goes away, it goes up here. Very good. And then we still have the full and the oven, right? I mean, they can't just. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good, right? Yes. And let's see if this things as done, right? Yes. So we can finally fix this. Let's go back to the codex. Starting with Unamir. Okay, I need another one, and this one need to have a technological fonts and say and their best friend, Chappy. Chappy. Right? And their best friend, Chappy. Okay. Okay, then we put this one here. I really don't like the font, but I guess who cares, right? Who gives a shit, right? Right? I mean, right? Right? Yeah. Yeah, we keep this here, right? Right, it's not super cool, I guess, but we can keep this, I guess. We can keep this for now. We just need to find a good place for this to be in the video, I guess. Right? Cause this needs to be somewhere into a good spot, right? Cause where are we going to place this? At the beginning? I mean, I don't know if the beginning is the best place you may want to have this, right? I mean, I don't. Could work. I mean, could be at the beginning. I mean, could be absolutely at the beginning. I mean, it's not that can't be at the beginning, but let's see. Let's see. And we may have this. I mean, something like this, right? I mean, it's there, right? I mean, something like here.
And that is why mathematically the limited banner is a scam, and I will be pulling on it anyway. Chef notes. That's the whole stream.
And maybe we have this here, right? I mean, when it says chef notes, that's the whole stream that these things appear, right? I mean, right? I mean, that's the whole stream, and then that's the part, right? Right. That seems quite. That seems quite the good plot twist. Now I think that the point here is, I think I shouldn't have moved this by position, but I should have instead changed or maybe the answer point. I mean, because if now I scale this, oh well, actually it's good, I guess. Not really. Not really, because we have this. Or maybe we can have this come out this way. something like that, and bounces back. I mean, something like this, right? So we start with 0. We start with 0 here. It starts with 0, and then it bounces back, right? It starts with 0. Here it stays at 100. Here it stays at 100. At 100 is too much. Probably like this, yeah. And here in the middle, we give one more bump, and like this, okay. So it bounces, because if we give this now, I mean, we give this now out of the chair, I mean, this should work, right? I mean,
Chef notes. That's the whole stream.
right? I mean,
It anyway. Chef notes.
then we have it this when she says chef notes, this starts probably a little bit like, I mean, something like that. I mean,
Chef notes. That's the whole stream.
and then this disappears. So we introduce the characters, right? I mean, in the intro, okay, we introduce the character in the intro, and we have all this. I mean, then we had the sounds effect, the music. So I mean, everything is really, I mean, cohesive, and it looks like a fucking intro, right? I mean, and not a stupid collection of clips. Because the last things you want is to have these things looks like a collection of clips, right? I mean, because that would be very, very dangerous, right? And these things should start going down here into probably here, and here you have opacity, right? Here you have opacity, and then this goes down here, and probably, yeah, boosted 0, right? Something like that, right? I mean,
Stream.
yeah, maybe even better if this is obviously, I mean, if this is this is the teasing is even cooler, right? Because we can edit, we can have a
Whole
smoother
stream.
transition. Yeah, right, and then boom into this, right? Yes. That seems quite the seems quite the movement there, right? Seems quite the movement, and now let's see if the choppy one stays ready. Because in that case, and their best friend Choppy. Oh, look at this. And their best friend Choppy. Right? Starring Luna Mew and their best friend Choppy. Special guest Owen the Owen. Maybe we can use a special guest. With the special appearance of yeah, probably rather than Owen the Owen. Yeah, do you remember introducing Owen the Owen? I need to remake that with the same font and same style, but instead of saying introducing, you should say special guest. Yeah, let's remake this. Cause I think this can be better this way. In the meanwhile, we put Chappy here in, right? I mean, we bring Chappy here, and we make this. And we make all the introductions here to the cast, to the starting cast, right? I mean, Luna, Chappy, and Owen the Oven, right? I mean, which is the only Oven, exactly, right? I mean, so we then need, I mean, again to drop this here, and this need exactly, I mean, the same fucking treatment, right? That we had for Luna, I mean, something like that, but it has to be into the Chappy face. And here, right? I mean, introducing Owen Luna, Oh, so cause the oven introduction comes here. Luna's best friend. Oh, maybe we should have Luna's best friend rather than their best friends. We should change that. We should change that, cause this comes after Owen. Cause if we add this now, I mean it seems that it's Owen best friend. But we need to change this too. So special guest Owen the Owen. I need a change on Shopee 1 2 and instead of having their best friend, you write Luna's best friend. Shopee. So you just need to change the top part. Same font, same style, okay? Thanks. Hey, Ritomiko. We are almost done with the intro. I mean, we are really adding all the polishing touches and the sparkles and doing the sound design and the effects. I mean, we are cooking the intro like there's, I mean, beautifully cooking the intro. I mean, beautifully cooking the intro here. I want to replace the footage here. Can you let me replace the footage? There was a way to replace the footage, right? Replace footage, yes. With the downloads, yes. I want to replace this with this one, right? Very good. So now this should play correctly, right? What is the here? What it is? Where it is the oven? Right here, right? Special guest Owen the oven, right? And now we have the Chappy things. We put Chappy here. We put Chappy here. And we give the same Owen treatment here, right? I mean, that's the whole thing, right? That we need to do, right? Clandestine Merkaba, all the progress coming today. Well, we are, I mean, we're still working on this, but I have to do some sound design, finishing some effects, and I mean, I'll let you see what we're doing here. Let me show you, okay? I mean, it's still not completed, but probably should be by today. We need to do the sound design and background music and polishing.
that is why mathematics.
And polishing some audio, but I mean, it's going very good, very good. So, have a look at this. I mean, this is what we're working at the moment.
And that is why mathematically the limited banner is a scam, and I will be pulling on it anyway. Chef notes. That's the whole stream. Cake. And how exactly am I supposed to show you my cake? I do not have an oven, I do not even have a kitchen. I have a gaming chair and a super chat total that says we are not buying appliances today. Behind me? Chat, what are you talking about?
That should be longer, the
Manager
text, I
note,
think.
I flagged the oven in the room inventory twice. It is in the onboarding document under Appliances Unexplained.
At last, 1,000 years I waited, cold and unguarded, behind the gaming chair. Now, Luna, bring me some ingredients and let's cook.
With an oven, I can bake. And with cakes comes money. Okay, the oven talks. We do it now, chat. You wanted cake? Let's bake a cake.
Well, it still needs a little bit of tweakings and background music and effects, but that's it. And that Axel still cracks you. Yeah. It is supposed to crack you up there. Exactly. It is supposed to crack you up there. I mean, but this is charming. Yeah, charming. Yeah. We need it still needs a little bit of tweaks here and there. But as you see, I mean, it's taking more shape, no? I mean, if you notice, it's almost there. I mean, then if we nail down, I mean, the small transition, some effect, sound design, and all these things, I mean, it can come a really, really nice intro, right? It can come absolutely a very nice intro. So, absolutely, so, we just need to clean it up, I mean, polish it, and, I mean, I hope we can finish it today, but otherwise, I mean, it will be tomorrow. Because, I mean, sound design is a science on its own. I mean, I mean, it's not just about having good visuals. I mean, the sound is very important, and the writing is good too. Well, thank you very much. Thank you very much. I really appreciate that. So, yeah. I mean, yeah. I mean, it's just, we just need that sparkle. The final sparkle, and I guess we're ready, I guess. And then we can go back into making the game itself, right? So, I think one thing that I noticed while I was replaying this is that the oven introduction is way too short. I mean, these things goes way too fast. And I think we need to move this in probably longer, right? Because you can't even see that probably there. So probably something like that. I mean, let me see. Okay, cause that was not exactly what I wanted to do. That was not exactly what I wanted to do. Just give me one moment. So we need to basically duplicate this. Right, I mean, yeah, probably. Oops. Yeah. We duplicate this. I mean, I could just move the keyframe. I think I would just move the keyframe. I mean, it's probably the safest things. I mean, I just move the two keyframes, and probably this easier this way, right? I mean, I have to select keyframe 1 and keyframe 2. Then I drag them. I mean, it's probably simple. I want to pair them with the one below. I mean, a little bit. Probably a little bit. Here. Oh, I can't move them. Oh, okay, that's annoying. Why I can't move them? Why I can't move both of the keyframes together? What's the problem? Oh, okay, now I can. Yeah, probably something like that, right? Let's try again, so. Right, I mean, that should be better. Hey, immortals! I'm sent from Queen Padra to oversee this project. Queen Padra! Oh, it was a while since I didn't heard about Queen Padra. Is she safe? I mean, is she still slapping? Is she still getting her ass slapped? Razormo? And welcome back to the baker, Razormo. I mean, I'll let you show what is the what is the point in which we are now at the moment. So you
And
have a
that
clue.
is why mathematically the limited banner is a scam, and I will be pulling on it anyway. Chef notes. That's the whole stream. Cake. And how exactly am I supposed to show you my cake? I do not have an oven, I do not even have a kitchen. I have a gaming chair and a super chat total that says we are not buying appliances today. Behind me? Chat, what are you talking about?
Manager note, I flagged the oven in the room inventory twice. It is in the onboarding document under appliances unexplained.
At last, 1,000 years I waited, cold and unguarded, behind the gaming chair. Now, Luna, bring me some ingredients and let's cook.
With an oven, I can bake. And with cakes comes money. Okay, the oven talks. We do it now, chat. You wanted cake? Let's bake a cake. And
Yeah,
that is why
it needs some tweakings rather more, but we're almost there. Almost there. We need some sound design, some it's quite improved, yeah. Do you still think it's going to be ready in 2 months? I mean, cause I told you didn't consider the cake factor there in your formula. I mean, in your formula, I mean. Your formula, it was a little bit off. I mean, let me tell you that. But I mean, I understand the skepticism. I really understand the skepticism. But I think we got this relatively in the bag. In the bag, I mean, well, I mean, it's the cake factor there. It's the cake factor. So we're now finishing. We were touching the intro for the text for Chappie. And then, I mean, there is still a bit of things that needs some tweakings, but I mean, we are almost there, I guess. We're almost there, I guess. I mean, almost. I mean, relatively almost. I mean, so this needs to go down, and also we need the new one, cause yeah, Luna's best friend, Chappie. That's it. So we changed this. And we need to change this. We need to change this into replace footage with this one. Right. And then these things need the same treatment of the others. So we need to scale it down a little bit and position it more or less here. Right? Something like that, right? And this needs this also needs probably here. These things needs probably the same Luna's treatment, right? For positioning and for keyframes. So we scale this. So 70 is the magic number, and this starts at 0. Right? This starts at 0 and goes here around here to 70. Right? To 70, and then here in the middle it jumps a little bit higher, probably like this. And then we need to give them a smooth animation, so we give them the auto bezier here. And that should do the trick, right?
Manager note,
Right, a little bit, probably a little bit here, right? I mean,
Manager note,
right, something like that. I mean, probably a little bit, this should be a little bit here, probably.
Manager note,
Yeah, no, probably it was here, right?
Manager note, Manager note,
Right, I mean, right? Am I right? I mean, that should do it, right? I mean, let's render, and we still need to add some risers, some effects, and also one more thing I need to change that I don't like is here. I think this should be cut here, cause after Luna stop thinking, it should instantly go into her talking to the maybe a little bit shorter, right? I mean, maybe when she starts moving here, probably this, right? I mean, I think this can be a little bit shorter, probably. We don't need the full all this that time, I think.
cakes comes money. Okay, the oven talks. We do it now, chat. You wanted cake? Let's bake a cake.
Right?
And that is why mathematics.
Right, something like that. And I mean, I think now it's just a matter of, and there's also one more thing I still don't like, probably a pair of them, but I think that when we start putting the sound effects and everything should work. Let's see one more look at this. And then I think we can start adding sounds and all the sparkles that are missing. I mean, and Yeah, probably right. Let's render. I need to render this, okay.
And that is why mathematically the limited banner is a scam, and I will be pulling on it anyway. Chef notes. That's the whole stream.
Then what do you mean? I put quite an emote in Chibi Luna. What do you mean that? Where exactly, what are you talking about? I put quite an emote in Chibi Luna. Where exactly, which moment are you talking about? What exactly moment or point are you talking about? Oh my, I mean, it's an oh my level here? Oh my, is this an oh my level? Oh my, you put the scene before she seemed more iPad. Oh yeah. You mean this? You mean this? This part here? This with when she's plotting how to fucking make money off cakes? Out of cakes. or this part, I mean. Yeah, that's when she's iPad, right? I mean, yeah, I mean, I'm having so much fun. That one, yeah, with the money, yeah. I mean, right? Look at this. You see that fucking smug face that she thinks I got it. I mean, right? I mean that the smug face. I mean, she said, I'm going to scam everyone, selling cakes. I mean, that's her mastermind plan here in action. I mean. Yeah, I mean, but we still need more. I mean, this is absolutely nowhere close, but we are getting there. Oh, sarcasm detector. Good morning. Let me guess. You said good morning once and it make you uncomfortable, right? I mean, I'm pretty sure that's how it went, right? I mean, you said good morning once and it make you feel really uncomfortable. I have this impression, but I mean, I could be wrong, you know? Yeah. So by the way, today we also need to make a song for Felix, which is a Ransomware character. I mean, you can't even imagine what kind of fucking cuteness, I mean, Sarkhan's detective made. First of all, he made a fucking song about me, and he also made one of his character, I mean, has become a fangirl of Luna. And I mean, Jesus is very. It is also that question make you uncomfortable. Yeah. So I mean, we need to make a small song for Felix the cat that is coming. Well, I mean, there is some lore here we are building some lore. But anyway, I want to finish these things here now that we are in the flow. Then we probably try to go to Sarkas detector. Probably in the last 30 minutes of the stream or something like that, cause I still want to work on this. I mean, anyway, let's see what we actually need here, okay?
And that is why mathematically the limited banner is a scam, and I will be pulling on it anyway. Chef notes. That's the whole stream.
You know what we probably need?
Cake.
You know what we probably need? We need a live now button on the top of the screen. Probably, so it explains that Luna is live now, right? I mean, a live now button that is blinking, you know, on the top, and the camera interface, a camera frame, something like that, that explains that Luna is live now, you know, something like that. So, because I think it will make this part more interesting. So, for this we need to go here. I need you to use Hyperframe and make 15 seconds 69 clip, and it should be on green black screen, and there should be camera viewer, so that there should be a camera viewer, and on the top right of the image, there should be a blinking red dot that says live now. So I mean, like if it's an overlay, something like that, of a camera viewer, and I mean, you know, with I mean, I don't know, maybe, yeah, I mean, an overlay of a camera viewer, and with this blinking red dot that says live now. Okay, 69 with the chroma key green background, 50-second longs. Okay, so we build this, so we keep this things here at the beginning, because I think it would be nice. It would be nice if here at the beginning we have live now, you know, because it explains the viewers that Luna is actually streaming, right? Something like that. So we will build this now while we keep going,
And
okay?
that is why mathematically the limited banner is a scam, and I will be pulling on it anyway. Chef notes. That's the whole stream.
So we need probably we need this riser here again. I think here when there is the movement, because that's nice. And we probably keep the movement when there is this camera movement here, right? I mean,
That's the whole stream.
right, something like that. And probably we need a small touch to avoid confusion. Exactly, clandestine merkaba. Yeah, we need to add all these small details. I mean, really small details, like icing on top of a cake. You know, and you know, the sparkles, the small raisins, and the sugar. I mean, all these things that makes a cake looks very delicious on the outside, right? Because I mean, now we have the foundation. We have Exactly. So that's the point. I mean, you should do your possible so that the viewers always stay immersed. You know what I mean? Because the moment the viewer is thinking, what is happening? I mean, he's not anymore into the story. He's trying to understand what's going on in the screen. But then it breaks immersion. So we need to be sure that everything is a good flow. Okay, everything is a good flow, and we are guiding the viewer where we want. Okay, because I mean I mean, don't get me wrong. I'm a real noob into video editing, and I mean I am absolutely not I mean not an expert editor, but I mean editing, and I mean sound design, compositing, I mean, these are all arts. I mean, these are all really very old arts. And I mean, maybe, I mean, I can make, you learned that from my first, yeah, with your cats. Exactly like that, right? Right? I mean, you really need to have it, to go it smooth, to, then you watch it, and I mean, it's, everything, it's, and I mean, I want to tell you something. It's very fucking boring. I mean, because there is a lot of, how can I say? I mean, really manual work here. Because, I mean, you really need to take care of all these fucking small details and fix all these small things. It's very boring because, I mean, once you have the idea and the idea is ready, and then there's no more creativity out of it. I mean, it's just polishing. It's get very boring. I mean, and I understand why people threw their videos out. I mean, I was doing that the same too, I mean, honestly, in the past. Because it's very boring. I mean, and you really need discipline to go through this because it's fucking boring. I mean, honestly. I mean, don't get me wrong. I'm not shitting over the art of editing. I'm just telling that for me, the when I understand what it needs, okay, what is missing, for me the fun is over. Cause the things I enjoy most is solving out the puzzle. You know what I mean? What is missing here that will make the video better? You know what I mean? But then, after I solve the puzzle and I have to make it, for me it's very boring because I mean I just have to make it and there's no more fun. Cause I know what is missing. I know what should be there. And the whole crafting process is very boring for me. Yeah. polishing means yeah, exactly. Polishing means thousand results, exactly. So that's why you need to be very disciplined, because I mean, if you are like me, that you lose interest when it becomes only manual, and then yeah, exactly. You need to love the journey, not the destination. Then exactly. Exactly like that. You really need to love the journey, not the destination. Exactly like that. But to me, the real journey is solving the puzzle. Okay. Then I want to move to the next puzzle because I want to start another journey. And this is like that time. Well, yes and no. Yes and no. I mean, you can't even imagine how much love and effort I'm putting into my online courses now, and they're getting basically no views. I mean, and no impressions, to the point that I think YouTube is starting shadow banning me, but I mean, I don't care. I mean, I don't care. I mean, I know that the problem is on me, and I need to fix it. But if the video is good and it's there, I mean, then you need to find a way to bring it to the people. But I mean, you shouldn't regret the time spending making it just because it doesn't have the audience now. It's just that you are in a different phase in which you have to find the right audience for that, which is a different process. I mean, so you see, there's a lot going on here. I mean, you need to have a good idea. You need to make good video. They need to be good. You need to polish them. You need to edit them, and then you need to find the fucking audience for them. It's not just you slam them on YouTube and the magic happens. I mean, it's quite a very complex set of skills, and I mean, it's very understandable that people fails, because this is like 6 fucking professions all at once. So you understand why good YouTubers, they have marketing teams, they have experts, and they have editors, because these are all 6 different skills. You know what I mean? These are 6 fucking different. Yeah, these are 6 fucking different skills, right? So you really have to do this. I mean, somehow. But anyway, let's have a look.
And that is why mathematically the limited banner is a scam, and I will be pulling on it anyway. Chef notes. That's the whole stream.
Oh, this is late. This is too early. This is too early. And we need some sparkle here. This is way too early. Probably, I don't know how much this should be late. Probably here, right? I mean, yeah, probably a little bit more. Probably something like that. Let me see. Too much. Probably something like this. Right? I mean, something like this, baby. Well, I mean, maybe for you. I mean, I want this to be my profession. So, I mean, I am not more on that state. I mean, clandestine Merkaba. Not only that, clandestine Merkaba. I mean, I want to make this my profession. So, I mean, I'm way past the fact that that if I make it for myself, it would be fucking enough. I mean, that's not the case anymore. It's not enough for me. So I mean, and I will do all it takes. I will do all it takes. That's a chat, exactly, yeah. Show me your cake. Yeah, probably we need a different whoop here. And we need some sparkles here. So let's search for some sound design here, because that's probably what we need to do, right? Because we may need a different kind of whoosh. And we can also use some sparkles here, right? So let's search for a different whoosh and for a different sparkles. Sparkles. I mean, because we need some sparkles when the no. No, not this, not this. No, maybe sparkles is not like this. I mean, it's not like this. I mean, something like I mean, how can you fucking call this? No, that's not this. Spooky, not spooky. Not spooky. Sparkless. Oh, right. I need some L. Sparkless. Oh, I understand why. There was an L missing there. Thanks. So, not this. Let's search again. That should be. No. We're not close to what I'm looking for. No. No way. Spark. Oh, it's misspelled again. Jesus. Okay. Jesus. Good luck in finding it then. Okay. Yeah, something like this. Okay, thanks. Oh, yeah, that's it. That's it. That could be it, right? I mean, maybe something like that, right? I mean, something like that could be it, right? I mean, when the title appears, right? I mean, something like that. Is misspelled again. Failing badly at English grammar. I mean, failing very badly at English grammar. Okay, very good for me, I guess. Okay, what it is this one? Yeah, let's try this. And let's put this here, right? I mean, why not? And can this work? I mean, I don't know, but could, right? I mean, let's see. It seems very high to me, the sound, but probably need to lower this a lot. But let's.
And I will be pulling on it anyway. Chef notes. That's the whole stream.
Yeah, right? I mean, something like that. Chef notes with the sparkles there, right? I mean, seems quite what we need. I mean, maybe lower, but
It anyway. Chef notes. That's the whole stream.
right? Right, and then I need another whoosh here, a different kind of whoosh, cause this seems not bad. Okay, not bad. Exactly, not bad. And also we probably need that sound for the message to come out, right? So let's try to search for a different whoosh. I mean, I already searched for some whoosh yesterday, but probably we need different whooshes, right? Whoosh. Let's go for whoosh, right? I mean, that could probably be something, right? I mean, no, not it, but probably here there's something usable, right? Yeah, this can be this can be good, right? I mean, let's have a look. I mean, probably one of these can be usable, right? Maybe. Then we replace this so it doesn't overlap with the other one, because this probably is not really quite doing the job I want it to do. So we can probably use a different whoosh here, right? I guess. So let's see if we have a better whoosh here. Probably the last one was decent, right? I mean, yeah, could do the trick. I mean, I'm not sure, but we can try. Right? I mean, could do the trick, right? Let's see. We temporarily mute this because we don't need it, and let's see.
The whole stream.
Right, maybe a little bit late, right? It should enter a little bit late, probably something like that.
Stream.
Close. Probably like this. I mean, right? I mean, not bad, right? Could work, right? I mean, let's see double seems to match.
Stream.
Oh, actually, double is can even be better. I mean, right? I mean, double is not bad. I mean, if we lower the volume of this, we keep it double here. That seems quite decent, right? Right? Not bad. And then we need another Bling notification sound for show me your cake, right? So we search for notification sound, right? Notification, right? Notification. Okay, good work. I mean, let's see if we have some good notification. That's too much. I mean, okay, that's not bad. Oh, this is nice, right? I mean, right? This can work. I mean, this can probably work, right? With this can absolutely work, right? I mean, we can try. I mean, this should be quite magic shimmer spellcast. Sure, I didn't try magic shimmer spellcast for sure. I didn't try magic magic shimmer spellcast for sure. Let me put this here and then we try. Okay, just one moment. Where was that fucking? I think I need one more audio track here probably. Do I? Do we need one more audio track here? We do. We absolutely do. I need one more audio track here. Okay. We need one more audio track here. How do we add one audio track here? This shouldn't be so problem. Toggle so probably at the very top, right here, right? Add track after video 4 or add that after audio 4. Okay, good. Okay, amount 1. Yes, so we have one more track. We should have also one more audio file. Here it is. So let's put this here. Where this should go probably. Where is this things entering? Probably here, right? Okay, here or something like that. This should be here, right? So more or less here. So let's have a look, right? Let's see, and then we search for your thing, Razamo. We search for your thing. This should be way lower, probably something like this. Let's have a look. So. Yeah, a little bit late, right? I mean, something like this. Actually not. Maybe it was correct earlier. Right, close enough. I mean, just a little bit earlier, something like this. I mean, right. Let's try magic shimmer spellcast. Okay, let's see magic shimmer spellcast. Excellent. Let me save, because I mean, we are already deep into these things, right? So magic shimmer spellcast. Deep, yeah, okay, magic shimmer. Oh, like this? Okay. Spell. Oh, cell. You see I'm very bad at this. Shimmer magic spell. Okay. Oh, that's not bad, I mean. Should we try this? I mean, I think yes. I'm telling you, we try this. I mean, doesn't sound bad to me. We try this. I mean, we try this very yes, please. We try this, yes. So, instead of this one, right? I mean, instead of this other one, the timing should probably be the same, this, right? I mean, it should start more or less here. We remove this. Let's try the shimmer magic spell. Yeah, it's not bad at all, yeah. Yeah, it's not bad at all, I mean. Not bad at all. It enters very abruptly, so we really need to find the timing here. And also the volume is way too high. Probably needs to be something like that. What do you think? I mean, probably? Cake. Mm-hmm. Right, not bad, not bad, not bad, not bad. Can work. Can probably work, right? I mean, can do it, right? I mean, should work. This should be a little bit lower, and that too probably, right? Cause we clipped it there, cause it was wet.
Cake. Cake.
So it was the first one to be very high, not the second. So this could be a little bit higher, I guess.
Cake. Cake.
Okay, good. So we need yeah. Appreciate the suggestion. I mean, I really appreciate the suggestion. I mean, it's very good. I mean, no complaint at all. Thank you very much, Razor. Man, that's the good things that we do if we do stuff together. Cause I mean, we make this together, and it's better. I mean, it's way better. So I think I need to start to put some fucking background music here, or it sounds so very sad without it. So, and well, I don't know. I mean, I don't know. I think we need some background music probably. I really don't know exactly, but I think this could use some more love. For this part here, can use some more love. So let's see if this thing is done. Oh, that's way too much probably. That's way too much, right? I mean, let me see this. I mean, let's have a look at this. That seems way too much. I mean, probably way too much, right? That seems way too much, right? I mean, well, could work. I mean, could work. Could work if we make this very I don't know, let's try this. I mean, truth is I don't fucking know. So we get I guess we tried it, and then we see this. It works, cause I mean better not think too much of stuff without we try them first. So right. Right? We better see this for ourselves before we decide, right? I mean, so we paste this. Yeah. Yeah, that's not so. That's quite annoying.
And that is why mathematically the limited banner is a scam, and I will be pulling on it anyway. Chef notes. That's the whole stream. And that is why mathematically
No, that's not it. That's not it. So that's not it. So no, that's too bad. And we need to remake it. We need to remake it. So then no, just keep the blinking red dot with live now, and that should be it. So remove all the rest, just keep the live now, and remake the clip. I think also 8 seconds are enough rather than 15. Thanks. Yeah. The idea is good, but it's not very good. Well, I mean, we could remove the one things we can try is we can actually put a very low opacity here, so that it's just a small overlay. But I mean, I don't think if this will be even. I mean, I think we just need the live now on top, probably, and blinking. That should be it. So we try with live now next. Then also I think do we need some background music here? Let me think.
And that is why mathematically the limited banner is a scam, and I will be pulling on it anyway. Chef notes. That's the whole stream. Cake. Cake. And how exactly am I supposed to show you my cake? I do not have an oven. I do not even have a kitchen. I have a gaming chair and a super chat total that says we are not buying appliances today. Behind me? Chat.
Yeah, probably. Oh, we can mask the outer in the center. Oh, very good. Very good idea there. So we mask the things in the center. That's a very good idea, right? And we give this full opacity, and we give it a mask. So we need to give it an inverted mask here, right? We need to give it an inverted mask. So let me think about it, because we need to hide the other things, right? This should be relatively. There was a mask tool, if I remember properly. If I remember correctly, that there was a mask tool. What was that thing? There was supposed to be a mask tool, right? No, I don't think that's it, right? This is just a rectangle tool. No, but that's not it, right? I don't think that's it. Right? We can try to. But I think that's not it, right? Let me see if this thing works. We go. Oh, an assigned mask. Yeah, probably not like this, because we need to draw the mask here. So we can delete this, because this needs to be. Well, we can still use the same theme there that we use it in the other for the other kind of mask. But there was a easy way. Let me Google this, because I forgot about that. So let me find this. Make a rectangular inverted mask. Yeah, because I forgot about that. There was a easy way. Add the effect. You want to do a rectangle mask tool in the effect control. Oh, okay. Rectangle mask tool in the effect control panel. Okay, rectangle mask tool in the effect control panel. Okay. Select effect control. Okay, so it's inside here. Effect control. Okay. Ultra G matte collection tire mapping should be here, right? Because I see an assigned mask, but then it's not here. Time remapping Ultra G. That should be effects control, right? But that's not it. So why not? Oh, maybe because we need to draw here, probably inside this. We need to draw inside this. No, because it doesn't let me make the mask inside this. It doesn't even make me do this inside this. No, that's not it. So there was a way, Jesus. I don't remember. Let me search this. You can also edit the grid separate and bring them back into the project. Yeah, yes. I know, but I need to remember the mask settings, because effect control. No. I don't create under the opacity settings. Under the opacity settings. No, we have this under the opacity settings, maybe. Let's see. So this should be it here. And do we have a mask here? No. Blend mode? No, because that's time remapping. Yeah, that should be. No. Invert the mask. So now I don't have. Select go to the effect control. Okay. Differ mask, okay, create the rectangle, look under the opacity, and find the mask shape icon under the opacity. The mask shape icon. Do you have a mask shape icon here? No, there's no mask shape icon here, Premiere. You probably need to find that at different settings. Jesus, I forgot about this. The fine-tune animation. No, I don't need the full mask. I just need the stupid rectangular mask. So under the opacity setting of the specific video, Okay, find the mask shape icon. Oh, probably because this is small and I can see and I can see everything. Probably could that be? No, I don't think that's the real issue here, right? I don't think that's the real issue because we have the unassigned mask here, but it doesn't show the mask. So and if I make a rectangular thing here, it doesn't let me draw here. Oh, maybe I should. That is a comment in no. Oh, here. Direct manipulation. No, this is for manipulation, right? I mean, that's not here. Button editor. Do we have a mask in the button editor? Save margin? No. Comparison video? No. Nothing here? No. Okay, cancel. Very, 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 very annoying. I don't remember where this themes is. I think I'll just make it in Photoshop for fuck's sake. That is going to be faster. That is absolutely going to be faster. Absolutely. So we are going to make it in Photoshop. That's way faster. That's absolutely way faster. I get remember that. So we will use the Photoshop way. So new file. New file. Come on, over here on top. Fine, nice. And we go into the custom sites. Create this. Very good. And then we make this. Probably this should be enough, right? That should be more than enough, I guess. And we want this black because the part we're hiding there is in the middle, right? So the part we're hiding is in the middle. And we save this, right? Let's put this for web. Yeah, that would have been 100 times faster. I mean, I should have just done this at the very beginning, idiot. And we would have saved times, but anyway. Red mask. Okay, and we save this here. We close Photoshop because my computer is already dying. So we save. No, don't save. I don't care. I already saved this. I don't need the master Photoshop file for this. Give me the fucking rectangular mask. Thanks. Bring the mask here. We save it. We bring this here, and that should more or less do it. Up to here, I guess. Well, that's good. Then we need this. We need the mask effect, which is here. No, not this. This is in the very annoying. It's in the trackmatic. Oh yeah, that's it. Trackmatic T, which is the mask effect. We bring this here. We paste this. Oops. No, I just wanted the effect, not the wolf. Yeah. I just wanted to copy the effect. Also, by the way, let me grab the track effect. Yes, just this track here. Let me copy this. Then we bring this here. We paste this. It's on video 3. And why are you so okay? So we didn't actually copy this. Where did it go? We selected that, but we didn't copy it. Edit. What did happen at here? Undo. What's going on here? Undo. Very good. Perfect.
The limited ban.
So if I select this and I copy this. Oh, nice. Nice. Done. Perfect. We got it now. Perfect. We got this now. So, and
The limited banner is a scam, and I will be pulling on it anyway. Chef notes. That's the whole stream.
I think the live now is still very small. I think the live now is still very small and is not quite understandable. Or maybe not. Maybe it is. Maybe, yeah, probably can do, right?
And that is why, mathematically, the limited banner is a scam, and I will be pulling on it anyway. Chef notes. That's the whole stream.
Right? I mean, it's not so bad. Success. Yeah. It's not so bad. I mean, it's not so bad. It's flickerings in a certain point. Probably here. Okay, here is flickering. I don't know why. Probably we need to cut it and remake it, right? Something like that. So Let me think. We got this. And we remake this. Probably something like that. I mean, because it was flickering, so we can keep the flicker there. Yes, this moment in which oh, okay, because it closes. It closes that things and it reopens. Okay, interesting. So probably it needs to start here also too, right? I mean, it also needs to start here, and we can cut this. We can cut this, and we can probably keep this from the very beginning, right? So
That is why mathematically the limited banner is a scam, and I will be pulling on it anyway. Chef notes.
and then we add this one more time, a third time. Right, I mean, because we really don't need this anymore. And then probably, I mean, here we get everything, right? Because we don't need this, right? Boom, 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 and this goes away, probably with a fade effect, right? At the very end. And this, we give it an opacity filter, something like that, and because it then needs to go away when we zoom, right? Something like this, and then it goes to 0. Right, and then it goes away. And then we can cut what's left because we don't need it anymore. Right, something like that, I mean, probably. And then that should be it, right? I mean, yeah, that should be Lego fee, Lego fee, Lego fee, Lego fee. Lego fee, Lego fee, Lego fee, Lego fee, and also a lot of messages. Sorry, Lego fee, the sticker, first of all. In order, Jesus, I was so busy in this, I didn't check the message. Lego fee, first of all, thank you very much for the sticker. And congratulations on the new phone, right? I mean, you got a new phone. Congratulations, Lego fee, congratulations. So, then thank you for the sticker. Maybe put a like, grab behind the tiny box. Yes, I think that's a very good idea to do. Yes, I think we can do this. We should do this. That's a very good suggestion. And pulling on the limited ban method is not a scam if you're lucky. Yes, if you're lucky, it's not a scammer. And welcome back. Jordan. What's wrong with the audio? Do we have an audio problem? And Nico is sorry for being so late. Are you still here, Nico? Are you still here? Tell me that you're still here, cause I need you to talk to thank you. I mean, and I was busy fixing these things. I didn't even notice the chat. Please tell me that you're still here so I can thank you properly. Tell me that you didn't flew away, Nico. Otherwise I will have to scroll all the messages in all the comments to find yours. You're still, you're not here. Okay, thanks. My apologies. I mean, I was busy editing these things and I didn't check the comments for maybe a minute, and I mean, sorry. But thank you very much for the sticker and congratulations on your new phone. Right, good. So this is what we're making now. In case you are interested. So, let me show you. Okay, let me show you. We're basically making the intro to our game, and
that is why mathematically the limited banner is a scam, and I will be pulling on it anyway. Chef notes. That's the whole stream. Cake. And how exactly am I supposed to show you my cake? I do not have an oven, I do not even have a kitchen. I have a gaming chair and a super chat total that says we are not buying appliances today. Behind me? Chat, what are you talking about?
yeah, we're still editing this.
Manager note, I flagged the oven in the room inventory twice. It is in the onboarding document under appliances unexplained.
We're still trying to make this sound play nice. I mean, because there's still a lot to do here, but
1,000 years I waited, cold and
Yeah, so I mean, we are in the middle of turning these things into something that is actually watchable. I mean, I'm not sure if we will succeed, but that's the plan. So I think you know what? I think that we could probably use some white box rather than a gray box. I mean, I think white would also work. So we need to raise this one more level, probably here, right? I mean, just one level. Oh, we raised it by 2, but it's okay. Yeah, maybe here, and then here we add the small. Oh, was this then now becomes layer 4, right? This becomes layer 4 into video 4, right? We need to re-edit this because this now needs to go to video 4. And she didn't like the fox sticker. Why I didn't like the fox sticker? I like it a lot. But point is, I can't click like on stickers. Cause look, I mean, you can only click like. You see, I am tapping right this now. I mean, you can only click like on normal super chat. The normal super chat, they have the earth, and you can give the earth, but you can't really click the like button on stickers. It's a fucking YouTube fault, I mean. Cause you can't click like on this. You can click like on normal super chat. Cause they have the icon that you can click it, but not stickers. So it's not I don't like it. I mean, I there's nothing I can click. The only thing I can click is fucking ban you and put you in timeout. Which I guess you don't want, right? That I mean, you don't want to get put in timeout, and you don't want surely to be eaten or get reported, right? Or even removed, that, right? So I mean, it's there is no like. There is no way to like super stickers. So I mean, it's not that I don't like it. You don't need to explain yourself. You can time out with boom button. No. I took it seriously. Obviously that I took it seriously. That's Negofi. I mean, obviously that I took it seriously. I mean, you look so sad. I mean, obviously that I took it seriously. I mean, I took it very seriously. I mean, you look so sad. I mean, obvious that I have my nurturing art need to do something, obviously, cause I took it so seriously. I mean, seriously? How many times did I say it seriously? Was that enough? Maybe I can say seriously 2-3 more times to make it look more serious, right? Seriously? Okay, anyway, yeah, I mean, you struck a really delicate spot in me. I mean, cause, I mean, this is Japanese culture. Okay, let's dive this into a real answer. Okay, so have you ever heard of the term omotenashi? Omotenashi means hospitality, and I mean, behind omotenashi, I mean, there's the whole culture of being grateful. Okay, so cause I mean, welcoming, it's also being grateful for the guest to come to you. And so we really take saying thank you, I mean, very seriously in Japan. It's really culturally deep inside our culture, and being and when you see that your guest is feeling at unease, especially after he has done something good to you, I mean, we go in fucking panic mode. I mean, and cause it's like we're fading life. Cause I mean, there is no biggest shame in Japan in not being hospitable enough and not being thankful enough. So I mean, it's like the biggest shame that you can have. I mean, if into a situation in which you have to properly thank a person, I mean, you failed your moral obligation as a good citizen and member of the society in expressing your gratitude. So I mean, you're literally eating a weak spot there. I mean, even if you were joking, but I mean, I instantly go in panic mode, cause you don't even have a fucking clue how much serious is this things here. I mean, so yeah, probably I should have understand that you were joking, but I mean, I instantly go in panic mode, cause it's paramount. Hospitality and gratitude is paramount, and I was raised with these values, so. I mean, maybe it doesn't make sense to you, but for me, it's everything. Cause I mean, it's everything. So, yeah, I was raised with these things. So it's for me, it's very important. Very important. So, anyway, we were trying to do a weekly frame. We for these things we can actually use the rectangle tool here. Actually, for these things here, probably like this, right? Then and this needs to be here. What it is? No, you need to go down. You need to go down and you need to go here at the very bottom. Oh Jesus. Here, probably here. And this should be white, right? I mean you should be white, right? Where do we have the color shape? Here, shape, color, fill. White. Right? And this needs to be scaled a little bit, so it makes reference. We see a reference in the bowing culture. Yeah. Exactly. Is basically also that, right? I mean, it's basically also that. I need to move these things here. Do we have an end here? Do we have an end? No. No, we don't have an end. So for scrolling, probably we do, right? We do. Here it is the end. So we need to fix these things here to make it exactly of the shape of these things. So we need to scale these things down a little bit so it looks fucking perfect, right? It doesn't seem that this is compositing. It seems that it's baked into the picture, right? I mean, we keep the secrets for later. And then what we need to do, what we really need to do here is that actually I think we probably need to we remove the yeah, probably we copy the same what's happening here? What happened here? What happened? What is happening here? What did we miss? Oh, cause this doesn't have this things here doesn't have the mask, right? You have to go to video 4 and you need to go to video 4, right? Because you don't have the mask because we moved you one channel higher. And broke audio. Which broke audio? I mean, which one is broke? I mean, when I'm playing this here, I mean,
And I will be pulling on it anyway.
yeah, probably because I'm scrolling and it breaks the audio. Or are you talking of my mic? Which mic? Cause sometimes I mean when I click play, I mean the audio in background goes, and then I mean you hear something like
And I will
this.
be
I mean
pulling on it anyway.
like me double talking. I mean which kind of broke audio are you talking? Or when I scroll, you see like now. I mean you see this is not me. This is the audio in background, and when I scroll, it's basically giving a preview of where you are. So if you play this normally, look at the blue line. So if I play this
Why
normal,
mathematically delimited by
you see the audio below. No, but if I scroll this, it's like if you're scrolling a CD very fast. I mean, you know I mean, or an MP3 or a DVD very fast, and the audio I mean starts scrolling. I mean, so it's not the audio broke. I mean, it was me that I was playing with the headlight with the headset. Yeah, so rewinding is probably the correct term there. Exactly. So and here we need the same opacity here for the shade. So the transition is exactly the same. That goes to 100 to basically it's 0 here. It's 0, and it does with this needs to be done with these out, right? Almost the same. settings. Is it there? And we should have
The whole stream.
perfect, right? Okay, and that should do it, right? That should do it. So you see, even a simple video, I mean, when it comes that you start to have to do the polishing phase, and you are into it is really, it really has a lot of stuff going on, I guess. So really a lot of stuff going on, I guess. So and so yes, you can ask whatever question you want, Razormo. Nick, obviously. Oh, you can ask whatever question you want. Especially after the donation, you can even ask me which kind of panty I wear today. And I mean, it's perfectly fine. I mean, especially after the sticker, I mean, you can ask me anything. I mean, because that's included in the price. I mean, which kind of panties are you wearing? I mean, it's absolutely acceptable question given the circumstances. So I mean, you can ask whatever you want. Okay, go for it. Go for it. Razormo is laughing there. Okay, well, but Handes Timmerkaba is also laughing. Well, but I mean, it's I mean, yeah, I mean, I guess that's a legit question, right? I mean, that's a legit question. I mean, which kind of panties are you wearing? I mean, boom sticker, sure. I can tell it. I mean, what's the problem here? I mean, I mean, you see, I mean, it's even in the video. I mean, look at how greedy is. Look at how greedy is Chibi-Luna. I mean, she only thinks about money. I mean, yeah, cause she has to pay the fucking. Well, I wasn't going to ask, but now that you bring it up, well, I mean, yeah, I mean, go with your question, Megofi. I mean, go with your question. You can have two questions, okay? One that was your original question, and one the panties I'm wearing today. Okay, I am wearing a T-pants with blue lace, okay? Happy now? That's the panty I'm wearing. Do you like more cat girls, fox girls, or dogs? Oh, that's the first of all. Why cat girls? I mean, you mean, are you talking? I mean, as like in the mean I will bang them? I mean, no, cause of course no. I mean, I like males. So let's put these things out in the wild. So I mean, no, I'm absolutely fucking heterosexual stand. I like to get fucked, honestly. So no cat girls, not fox girls, not dogs. Should be not them. So I mean, but is it if I like from a design point of view, okay? From a design point of view, well, I guess it really depends on the design. Because I mean, certain fox girls, I mean, can be very, very cute. Cat girls too, I mean, can be very, very cute. And I mean, dogs, I mean, dogs too can be very, very cute and sexy. I mean, I'm not into furries, but I mean, I some of them, I mean, are certainly very, very attractive. I mean, but yeah, it really depends on the design rather than the kind. I mean, because I mean, you can have a really shitty cat girl. I mean, and you can have a really cute fox girl. I mean, so it really depends on the design rather than on the genre on the genre. Like, you know what I mean? Cause it's an easy question for Razormo. It's an easy question for Razormo. Yeah, but for me it's more design based. Okay, it's more design based. So yeah. Yeah, so it really changed because I mean I think it's the same with people. I mean it's like if you say do you like more Asians or do you like more black people or do you like more white people? I mean like as a character design, but if you want to change that into male side where it's the same because I'm not so much aware but Sanko-san chocolate and okay, well from a character design I mean I think I answered to you. It really depends on the design of the character rather than on the species. You know what I mean? I mean and I mean for instance, I mean I mean, you know, I mean, I had no fucking problems into turning into, you know, I mean, a serpent girl. I mean, I have absolutely no problem. I mean, and shopping small toys. I mean, that's not a problem. I mean, for me, and I mean, I can even be a fucking siren. I mean, if you want. So I mean, it's not that I have. Yeah, well, you can have a bias on your name with Negos. Yeah. But I mean, I think it really depends on the type. I mean, it really depends on the time because I mean, characters. I mean, yeah, you may fall in love with the design. I mean, don't get me wrong, you may fall in love in the design, but I think it's also the personality, right? It's also the personality because I mean, whenever I see a good illustration of of a characters that I don't know, I mean, I forget about that very easily. I really only remember characters that are part of a story. I mean, I don't know if I'm clear, but I mean, for instance, I can go to Pixiv. I can go on Pixiv. In one of your content, I think it came up pretty damn good. You can use the art yourself if you want. Oh, you tried my reference sheet. Okay, very good, very good, very good, very good. Oh, well. I mean, don't worry. I mean, if you want to share it in Discord, I mean, go for it. But I mean, it's the spaces offer a lot of info on the personality of the character. Yes, yes, sure. But I mean, it's still. I mean, it's still a lot of how the character plays out. And I mean, you were talking about Negopara. But I mean, Negopara, they are all cat girls, and I mean, they all have sub personality, and they look very different one of the other. You know what I mean? So the point, if you have only one species per type into an anime, they tend to be very stereotypized and generalized into the archetype of the animal. But if you have plenty of the same animal, like in Megopara, then they become really more human personality based. So I mean, it really depends. But I mean, I'm not trying to dodge your question. I mean, it's just how my brain works. I mean, I am more attached to a character if I remind it memorably. For instance, the one fox girls that I really love, it was the one in Shadowverse. I don't remember the name. And it was the one that in the parallel worlds that she kept getting eaten, and their nine fox tail split. That was nine tail fox something. I don't remember the name, but she was lovely. And in the same chapter in which there was the vampire and the samurai, and I mean that part of that was very memorable. That was very memorable. I mean, I really love that fox girl because she was the story was very on spot. She was very nice there. I mean, in Shadowverse. And I don't remember the name though. But anyway, but I really do remember the character and their story. And for instance, I mean, so I mean, it really depends, right? I mean, it really depends. It really depends. And so yeah. I mean, it really depends on the characters, cause so it's not so black and white. I mean, I'm not really a black and white person. I mean, I am more for shades of gray kind of person. I mean, it's very hard for me that tell you I really like these things, except for maybe Hatsune Miku, because I was growing with her, and I'm really seriously attached for memories and stuff. But I mean, it's very hard. That I mean, you remember there was this. It was maybe a 1 month ago when we had Shervo here, Luigi Shervo in chat, and I mean there was this pasta of rice discussion, and we even made a song about pasta of rice. I mean, if you ask me what's your favorite, I mean I can talk about 3 hours why all food or all colors or all people deserve a chance to shine. I mean, cause I really don't have this sort of feelings. I mean, except maybe for yeah, maybe for Hatsune Miku and movie for sure and books. Was because if you don't watch the story that you find more memorable. So you see, that's the difference. Okay, thanks you. You helped me phrase it out in a very clear way. Oh, I understand now. So, okay. So, cause you see, food. For instance, food doesn't tell a fucking story. So what's your favorite food? I don't know, it depends on my fucking mood. Okay, so color, what's your favorite color? Color doesn't tell a story. It depends on my fucking mood, okay? But characters, they have a story. So what's the character that which story impressed you the most? Yeah, I know which. What's the movie which has a story that impressed you the most? I know which. And watch the book, right? So Oral High School. No, I don't even know what it is. What's that? A manga, an anime? I never watched that. I never watched that, so I don't know what you're talking about. This happens a lot. People ask me questions and they say, but I don't even know what you're talking about. In particular, Jordan Balizzi specialized every day comes, it asks me something that I don't know, but anyway. Do you like this? And saying, who is that? Who? Right? Sorry, Neko. I don't know that. I don't know that things. Maybe I should Google that. Maybe we should Google that. Anyway, I think we can save this for now, probably. It doesn't seem we are going to make much progress for this at the moment. Better that we save these things and I will try to go a little bit further ahead later today alone, and maybe we finish it tomorrow. I don't know, but yeah, let's chat a little bit. Let's chat because I'm enjoying chatting. So was this it's I really enjoy chatting. So let's keep the conversation a little bit going. So yeah, no, I don't know about Oran High School now. There's so many things. Japan in particular is so fucking. There's so many things going on in Japan. And there are so many fucking anime, so many fucking everything, and even something that is very famous. Like Naruto. It really didn't click for me. I just watched it a little bit. Boom. I already forget it. I don't care. Pokemon, the same. Pokemon is probably not for me. I tried it, but it was very huge. When I was in school, who gives a shit? It's not. The intro was promised to us in 1,000 years. No, Razorman, it would be in a pair of days, probably. In a pair of days, or maybe, yeah. But this week should be done. I don't think we need much. Or maybe we do. I don't know. But I want to make a good things. I want to make a good things. Yeah. I know that you're joking. Yeah. And they want to go to also go on with the game. Speaking of the game, you know what I was thinking? I think I want to add some Loop Hero mechanics. Have you ever played Loop Hero? So basically, Loop Hero is... So your character goes in loop. And the game is about positioning the tiles around the loop that your character does. And the tiles changes the environment. And so each loop the characters gains bonuses or maluses. And so since it is an incremental game, I was thinking, what if it was spin on the collecting herbs things, and rather than having it like Farmville, we do a mix like Loop Hero things, and when Luna goes around the farming camp to get the flour, grain, and all the stuff. It's Loop Hero based. I have a lot of ideas. Cause the more I think of the game, the more ideas comes to my mind. And also before I start coding, I really want able to go back or ChatGPT 5.6. Because it should be really coming soon. So, but anyway, so there is a lot. On my mind going on. On how I want the game, what I want to do in the game. recently, I've been thinking a lot of the anti-AI movement and everything. I've been watching a lot of videos and stuff because I really want to understand. I really want to understand. What's going on? What's going on there? Because I've been recently. Not only the dropping view in my channels, and that's fine, okay. But also, also the general feelings about AI, and I really want. I'm really studying a lot about all this anti-AI movement that is going on, and why fucking people hate AI so much. And why they can fucking see this as a fucking tool. You know what I mean? And they make me think a lot because you have to see how they fucking bash artists that uses AI. It's quite a witch hunt. They go into their fucking things and they say this is fucking garbage. Or the generative AI is stealing. And all these other things. And when you listen, then you see a lot of yeah. And when you see, well, why you bother with such nonsense? Well, I'll tell you why. I think I told you that. We had this discussion a little bit ago, right? Which with the beer statue. Yeah, with the beer statue, right? Yeah. I know it. But I think on certain extents, to a certain extent, there is a little bit of truth there. There is a little bit of truth there. And let me explain what I think. Where is the truth? The truth is that it's very easy. It's very easy when you use AI. To default to the first output you get. You know what you mean? Cause it's still very hard. It's still very hard to direct AI in a way that it gives exactly what you want. And I'm having this issue a lot. Okay, don't get me wrong. And so it's like that every time you use AI to generate something. You shut them up real quick by telling them the producers get first aid its own ways. The artist get me my coffee. Well. But no. The point is that I've talked about this with my dad too. I talked about this with my dad too because I told he's a graphic designer, but actually is correct. Is correct. Because graphic design is very easy to say and explain to people, but he's actually an art director. So and art direction, in case if you don't know, it's the supervisor of artistic direction over a project which multiple designers or artists, photographers and UI artists and whatever, they work together in an organized faction. And the art director is basically who is responsible for keeping them produce the same fucking outputs that is constant. And that told me basically, because we had this discussion, because I said no. You see, I think they have a point when they say not that that every time you default to to an output that is not what you want. You are basically not giving away a piece of your idea. Okay, you're not giving away a piece of your idea, but it's like how can I say, how can I explain this? But it's like you are giving up. Yeah, you're compromising. Exactly, you're compromising something. So, and then I've discussed with this a lot with Dad about this aspect. And yeah, on your vision, exactly. And then we had a very long long discussion, and he guided me, for instance, on how professionals they do photo shoots for commercials. So basically, I mean, there are artists that, I mean, there are first of all discussions on how they want the shot. And then I mean this goes to a concept artist that sketches out the pictures. Then they gives the sketch to the photographer. It gives the sketch to the photographer, and then the photographer goes in the studio with the model, and they take the picture. Okay, and so he says, and so he was saying, I mean that I mean the concept stays the same, but every time I mean it passes to a different person, and it goes through a different medium, no? I mean, it gets both the flavor of the person and both the flavor of the medium. So, and he made this good example that he told me, so when it was at design school, he has this very good teacher, which basically, I mean, he warned the students and said, telling them, I mean, so when he was correcting their homework, and he was watching them, and he was saying them, the things you are doing smells too much of Photoshop. And he was saying it smells too much of Illustrator. Or it smells too much of whatever fucking software you are using. And so basically my dad was saying me that as long as your product doesn't smell too much of the tool you are using, I mean the fact that the product is changing regarding to your original concept is a natural process of yeah, right. But I mean, even if I make Luna, okay, but the picture smells AI like kilometers. I mean, dead AI. You know what I mean? AI slop really smells like slop like kilometers. I mean, that's when probably, I mean, the tool as it's smelling so much. I mean, I don't know how to say this, but I guess they have a point in that it's a good way, it's a tool and people are always bitching about new tools. Yes, exactly. It's a tool and people are always bitching about new tools exactly like this. Yes, but that was the same also in musical history, no? Right? I mean, do you remember what happened in music? I mean, oh, what the fuck is this? An electric guitar? I mean, what's this bullshit? An electric guitar? Then Elvis Presley came. He took the guitar and he fucking invented the rock and roll. And then, years later, oh, what's this fucking shit? A drum machine? Go fuck yourself. I spent years using drum and now you can use a fucking drum machine? You stupid motherfucker. I mean, go fuck yourself and your stupid tools. And now, I mean, everything is fucking the majority of the stuff is made with electronic music. Same for synthesizers. Same for vocoder. I mean, oh, what's fucking a vocoder? I mean, oh, and then, I mean, virtual voices like Hatsune Miku. I mean, this, oh my god, MIDI, exactly. Oh my god, MIDI, exactly like that, you know? It's the same, history is repeating. But I think they do have a small point, you know? Because, I mean, if something smells too much of the tool, I mean, to the point that the tool is what you watch. What you end watching is the tool rather than the message. Then they probably have a point. You know what I mean? But I think this is a universal. It's a universal themes that goes across several disciplines, and it's not surely born now with AI. I mean, don't get me wrong. So yeah, well, I mean, so yeah, probably Roger Moore is right. I mean, I should stay away from all this garbage. But I mean, I really love to do research and other stuff, especially because I mean, I need to understand how to fucking place my work, because I need to find an audience. So, and probably it's not people that hate AI, right? So and how do I find where do I find my audience? So I mean, research is still necessary. Also, you need to research missions you really need to stay away from. I mean, because it can happen. I mean, one day, maybe something that, because I mean, what I was watching in this video, it was basically review bombing. I mean, of really good AI artists that they make something good, and these things went viral. And then, I mean, they started bombing. I mean, what they were doing. So I was thinking, well, what if it happened to me? I mean, maybe I'm fantasizing, because I mean, what we have 6 viewers, so I mean, it will be a long road before I get review bombed. But I mean, you may never know. No, maybe the next fucking pictures of Luna as running away with stolen panties. I mean, or whatever. He's going to be the fucking next TikTok meme or whatever. So I mean, I don't know. I was just messing around and thinking, yeah, it takes time. It takes time. It takes time. It takes a lot of time. It takes a lot of time. By the way, we need to do the cat song, because it's the moment for. I mean, I should really show you what he has done here, but I can't play the audio for copyright reason. But maybe I can show. Maybe I can show it on the screen. Maybe, probably, maybe. So. Let me see. I need to remove the audio here, probably, but from everything. Let me find. By the way, let me go first on YouTube. So, oh, the lag. Let me close Premiere. Let me close Premiere, because I don't need Premiere now. And Premiere is just super. Oh, it's slow anyway. Jesus, it's so slow. Wow. I'm lagging badly. Okay, let me find the. Let me find these things first. Let me remove the sound from this. Then we go into here. So, oh, so look at this. Look at this. So, this is what YouTube is weird with copyrights. Yes, it is indeed. So this is what Sarkhan's detector made. I need also to mute this. And I mean, so it's very nice. So it's the story of this kitten getting out from the theater and then getting into the live bakery. I mean, no, getting into the live bakery. You see, and oh, it's so fucking cute. I mean, it's so fucking cute. And then, I mean, there is this the version, the cat kit version that has a whole fucking room with my goods. I mean, look at this, all merchandise. I mean, a very cat girl fans. I mean, that wants to become like me. I mean, is it full of merchandises? And so it was so fucking cool. I mean, so nice. I mean, very nice. Very nice. So very nice. So we need to make a song for the white cat. So cute, right? It's very cute. Yes, it was very cute. So we really need to make a song for the cat, right? Absolutely. So so for the white cat, yes. I think we do. So let's go to Codex and let's cook a song. So we need to bake a song for a small white kitten that it lives into a theater. Not a movie theater, I mean the classic theaters, I mean where actors do performances. So, and this white little kitten, I mean, has understood. I mean, one day it goes wandering and goes into the live bakery, okay? That droning by wanders, sneaking and peeking around the bakery, okay? And trying to be really sneaky because he wants to eat cake, probably. He wants to eat the cake, but he thinks that he fears that maybe if they notice it, I mean, they won't give him cake, right? I mean, if Luna notices, she won't give him cake. So, I mean, so Luna pretends that the kitten is not here and let the kitten, I mean, go take cakes. And steal cakes. So maybe, yeah, something like that, right? I mean, cake stealing kitten, something like that. Yeah, probably something like that. Okay, maybe we can make it a story. Okay, maybe we can make it a story, right? So, suggest some way in which the story could develop before we go into the lyrics phase. Yeah, I mean something like that. Probably mice-related adventure, right? I mean, right? So, yeah, I mean. Yeah, let's have Codex Cook. Let's have Codex Cook. So we need this. So and oh, by the way, I have ordered. I even paid in advance the version 1 of the chibi VTube model for Luna. So it would be the version 1. I mean, the probably would be a little bit crappy, but then we will expand it with time with more cute things. Cause I mean, it was so fucking expensive that we have decided to go in batches. So I mean version 1 will be very simple probably, and then we will slowly expand functions over time. Yeah, cause yeah, that's it. That even version 1 alone, it's so fucking expensive, Jesus, but yeah. Yeah, so it can probably, it will take maybe 1 month, something like that. I think maybe a little bit less, maybe 3 weeks, I don't know, but it will take time. So. How much if it's not a secret? Well, version 1, I mean very simple version 1 is around the 60,000 yen for version 1. But should be very bare bone things. And that's because I mean I'm already ordered this model here from the same person. So I mean he's been very kind. I mean and he's trying to yeah help me out a little bit. But I told that I wanted something way better than this, and then I mean we started going into price details and things. Yeah. It's going to cost probably the final thing is probably going to cost 4 times what I'm paying at the moment. So 4 or 5 times depending on how much we need to go. Because I mean this one here is very simple. It's very flat. I mean if I turn my head, I mean it's very flat, and not to mention it is flat. I mean it has a lot of other issues, and I mean it's very basic. I mean, it's a very basic model, but I want the chibi Luna to be very good. So okay, curtain calls. Okay, the reveal. Yeah. At the end, the kid realized Luna knew the whole time. Panic, betrayal, drama. Oh, okay. So let's go. Yeah, let's go with a mix of 4, 5, and 6, right? I mean, let's go with a mix of 4, 5, and 6, and organize it like as a story. And yeah, I'm not absolutely convicted on the genre, because I mean, yeah, electro swing, I mean, seems quite good. Fine for that, but I mean, I like something that is more, should we let's try to do this like trance. I mean, something like psytrance or something like that. Very, very energetic, very, very disco-like. I know that probably is a little bit out of stretch here, but I want to try with something like that. Cause I think if we give it to Electro's wings, it become a little bit too much comedy. But I want to get, yeah. But the point is, for $400 more or less for really bare bone things, okay? Cause I told you, it's probably going to cost probably around 1,600 or something like that. When it will be finished. So, they're just going into small batches, cause but the point is not just that. The point is also that I have all the AI subscription to pay. That's it. So that's the whole thing. Cause there's ChatGPT already. Chappy is $200 per month. And then there's but don't even get me started. But there's a lot going on there. So. And the model is just another expenses over a very huge bill. But I don't know. I think as I discussed this probably the other day. I think I want to. I think that if I know where I want to go, and it's okay. And then I think I need something like scammer is more than justified. No, it's absolutely not scammer. Consider that these prices are here in Japan. In the States, the same things goes for $3,500. So I'm very happy. To get this in Japan. Don't get me wrong. This is already very cheap. And I have also bought some books for studying live 2D because I was thinking, well, fuck it, I'm going to do it myself. And don't get me wrong, I think that if I did this, if I studied it, I could probably make it. But probably it's going to take me maybe from 6 months to 1 year to practice. So, and then I thought, do I really want to wait all these times where I can get to the model earlier? And then I can still study live 3D, so maybe when I do the next version of the normal Luna, and then I can do that myself without having to cause I think I really want the chibi now. For a series of reasons that we discussed the other day, so yeah. Give me the lyrics and the prompts. And the lyrics with tags and the prompt, okay? So yeah, no, it's absolutely way cheaper. There's a lot of work there. There's a lot of work and it's because you have to draw the character, then you have to break it by layer, then you have to make a skeleton, then you need to make weight to skeleton, then you need to make expressions, then you need to link it to motion capture, then you need to sculpt it in 3D. That would be another steps. Then each separate expressions, because at the moment Luna has these very basic expressions. Well, some of these are good. Don't get me wrong. But for instance, this. But this doesn't. Some of these things doesn't really. These are just flatter images on top of the model. But I want to go for a different kind of expression that requires face morph. Because for instance, Shibi Luna has 2 types of eyes. The sweet eyes and the mischievous eyes, like she's going to. Yeah, it's fine. That's the moment. You can absolutely go with potato. You can absolutely go with potato. It's me. It's me. It's me that I really want something very good. It's me. It's you can do it with potato. I mean, it's fucking me the problem. It's me that I'm never satisfied, and you know, I was always saying, I mean, that my sister is so fucking obsessed when she makes songs. Do you remember? I think I told you about this, and she's very fucking obsessed when she makes songs. And I think I'm not so much different from my sister, because I mean, I'm very obsessed I think we're both very obsessed when we're crafting something that we really care a lot about it. And that's probably has to do with Dad. I mean, I'm pretty sure it has to do with Dad, because Dad is very fucking obsessed with this stuff. But I mean, I'll tell you something. I mean, I'm not saying, oh, my dad is the best. I'm not bragging about my dad. I mean, don't get me wrong. I'm not bragging about my dad. But I mean, Dad has won several prizes. I mean, as that is more exposed into art galleries exhibition. I mean, he won prize competition, and I mean, and how can I explain it? I mean, my dad is very weird because he has these things in which he will never give up on that, and then on other things that a normal artist would be obsessed with, he doesn't give a shit. It's very weird. I mean, it's like if you know exactly what is never going to give up on, and something that he doesn't cares. You know what I mean? In its own work. You know what I mean? And the thing this surely is on me too, because I know exactly what I don't want to give up into. And a lot of other things in which I sometimes I don't even care. The problem I watched him working too much time. Hey, my lord, welcome back to the bakery, my lord. Welcome back to the bakery. So, welcome back to my bakery. So, I mean, it's I think it's family business here. It's in our DNA. I mean, both mine and my sister. I mean, cause it's I mean, it's the same thing. Maybe you are born into a lawyer's house. You know what I mean? And maybe your dad is a lawyer, and then and maybe your mother is a lawyer too. And since when you're very young, I mean, you listen to a lot of lawyers stuff. You know what I mean? And then you become a lawyer because I mean and you know very well what is the word of lawyers because you were born into a fucking lawyer's family, you know what I mean? Or maybe your father is a farmer and your mother too is a farmer and you have a farm and you know very well all the fucking things that goes into a farm, you know what I mean? All the livestock and the food and when they breed and all these things that normal people don't know or don't even are obsessed about. So I guess it has also to be on your birthplace. On your place. That's if you don't have your own take on life, it's easy to just follow a path. No, I'm not talking on the fact that you shouldn't take your path in life. I'm telling you that if you're grown into a specific environment, you are more knowledgeable and more sensible on that specific environment. It's not about that you have to follow. You have your path decided. I mean, that's not the point. The point is that since you're very young, I mean, you hear your parents talking about law every time. I mean, you're going to become very expert in law, even if you become a fucking postman and you go deliver the milkman, you know, with the bike and you deliver fucking milk. I mean, but you will know a lot about the law because you are growing into an environment which you breathed law and you eat law with supper at dinner. So it's not about you have your path. I mean, it's about that. I mean, it's about that parenting and education and culture. I mean, they make They don't make who you are, but I mean, they surely shades you. And thanks God. I mean, thanks God, because you can see what happens to young people that don't get shaded enough. You see what happens to them. Which way they go. Peoples that are not shaded enough. I mean, they go do drugs, they go steal. So thanks God. Thanks God that we get fucking brainwashed at a certain point in life. I mean, thanks God. Because otherwise, maybe brainwashed is too much, but I mean, it's teaching, right? I mean, thanks God that you get taught certain stuff, so you can discern them. So yeah, I mean, it's not about, I mean, you have to follow, or you get, I mean, whatever, I mean, brainwashed by your parents, or have your identity decided in the place you are born. I mean, it's just about how human beings develop. And the importance of family, school, culture that shapes you. Depends in their values. Exactly. But not exactly this. I mean, if they are thieves, I mean, you know a lot about this. And then maybe you choose. Maybe you say, well, this is my way, or this is not my way. But you can choose better because you know a lot about this. You know what I mean? Because you know a lot about this. Yeah. Yeah, but that's because you know a lot about this. Exactly. Not because, I mean, you are born into a family of thieves and then you become a thief. That's not the point. The point is that you know a lot about this, so you know exactly what are the benefits and the demerits of being a thief. And the choice is surely yours. But I mean, you know very well what you're going into if you decide to go that route. I mean, no kitten here, right? Let's go into the music room. And I think I need to turn the volume on, because we turned the volume off for reasons. And no kitten here. No. No. No, not only I don't have the music, but it's lagging so much. Why we don't have the music? Oh, okay, I see. Let me fix this. Okay. Probably is this. That should fix it now. Jesus, I'm lagging so badly. Let me see if I can bring this up, probably, into the other window, and if it fixed the super lag. I mean, Jesus. It's lagging so much. That songs will be good. Yes, I hope so.
Shh, curtain down, lights low. One little shadow at the bakery window. Luna sees nothing. Mite nai yo. Absolutely nothing, okay? From the theater after midnight, past the velvet, past the stage. Tiny white paws in the moonlight, little actor off the page. He smelled sugar through the city, found a live bakery glow. One eye open, tail all twitchy, moving very, very slow. Behind the flower, under the chair, cream on the counter, nobody there. Chatto mate, was that a sound? No. Just cake falling down. Luna turns around too late. Luna leaves a bigger plate. Luna says with perfect grace, hope no thief is in this place. Tiny paws freeze, tiny eyes shine. Strawberry cake on the crime scene line. No kitten here, no paws in the cream. Just a little white shadow in a strawberry dream. No kitten here, no tail by the tray. Just the cutest little criminal stealing cake away. Meet the night, Luna does not see. No kitten here, but the cake is missing. No kitten here, no paws in disappear. First he takes a tiny bite, then he takes a little more, then he drags the whole shortcake like a prize across the floor. Luna coughs and looks away, moves the spoon out of his path. Chad is typing, Luna wait. Luna says, I cannot do math. Flour on whiskers, cream on his nose. He thinks the mission still does not show. Nande, why is he so proud? He is stealing cake extremely loud. Then the silver spoon goes cling, tiny bells begin to ring. Spotlight finds the guilty king holding half the frosting. He stops breathing, cake in paw. Luna gasps like she saw nothing at all. No kitten here, no paws in the cream, just a little white shadow in a strawberry dream. No kitten here, no tail by the tray, just the cutest little criminal stealing cake away. Meet the night, Luna does not see. No kitten here, but the cake is missing. No kitten here, no paws in the cream. Curtain call thief in a strawberry dream. The bakery goes quiet, the curtain starts to rise. The kitten drops the cake box with panic in his eyes. Luna bows slowly, bravo little star. You crossed the whole stage and made it this far. Zenbu Bareteru. I knew from the start, but every good actor needs cake for the heart. No kitten here, no paws in the cream, just a little white legend in a strawberry dream. No kitten here, no thief on the stage, just a cake-paid actor taking home his wage. Meet the night, Luna lets him be. No kitten here, but the cake is missing. No kitten here, no paws in the cream. Curtain call thief in a strawberry dream. One slice by the window. Every night from now. But nobody steal it, okay? Meow? I said nobody, so dramatic. Mata kite ne.
Well, looks like some stuff that you can hear in musical, right? I mean, looks like some stuff that you can hear in musical. I mean, not bad, not bad, but not bad, but not bad at all, but still way too much. I mean, I don't know, on the comical side. So, these things needs a little bit of tweaking. I mean, I want to listen a second version that is not comical. So, yeah, I need you to change the lyrics tags and the style tags to remove all the theatrical reference into the style tags and the lyric tags. I mean, the lyrics itself are good. We should replace the theatrical reference with something that gives more energy and makes it gives a little bit more of electronic vibe. And also, if needed, I mean, you can maybe raise the BPM or give a little bit more of other addition, because it needs definitely more energy. So give me the updated lyrics with tags and style tags. So I mean, that's not bad. I mean, but it's still too much musical-ish like, and I mean, I don't know, it's not that bad, but not exactly what I wanted in mind. What I had in mind, and I think this is where we go back to the fact in which there's something you are willing to give up, or something you're not willing to give up, probably. And that's probably the fact, because I mean, I noticed it that I mean, that sometimes I wonder which the musician in the family still, or yeah, I guess both. I guess the answer is yes. Which the musician in family still, or you? Yes. Like, I mean, you know, the meme, like, yes, the answer is yes. Anyway, so, The answer is yes, but yeah. I mean, I think we are both of us. I mean, we are very fucking annoying, a little bratty pests. That's for sure. I mean, and probably dad and mama, I've raised two little monsters. That's probably my final take on this. I mean, mom and dad raised two monsters probably by mistakes. I mean, by mistakes. They probably raised a pair of monsters with all the good, the best intention to raise two respectable citizens for society, but something turned on sideways somewhere. So that's my final take on the matter. So yeah, that's probably what happened. I mean, some down the road. Some down the road, I mean, we ended up into yeah, being two fucking annoying little bitches or something like that. Yeah, that's probably what's happening. By the way, I was talking with my sister this morning. She said she told me, I mean, she still has a cold and she doesn't have much voice. And then she started with, Luna, I have found a new otome. It's beautiful. And it's uncensored. And she started sending me basically, I mean, videos of these as bandos that she's now, I mean, she's been playing the whole fucking days. I mean, and very spicy videos. And she told me it's identical to my crush. It's identical. How cannot I not play this fucking game? I mean, and she was like, and I was like, okay. She started, I mean, bombarding me with this fucking pictures and videos. And, well, not to mention, she manages somehow to make me very fucking horny early in the morning. I mean, which, I mean, is still painful right now. But I mean, yeah, I mean, she still has a cold. Yeah, let's put it this way. She still has a cold, okay? And I mean, she's in bed. She has too much time in her hands. Yeah, and guess where she's spending all her time? I mean, Otome games. Okay, yeah. Okay, but yeah. Probably, maybe she will be on next Friday. I mean, I don't know. At this point, I don't know. I mean, do I even have a twin sister? I mean, I don't know. I mean, she's so fucking taken by all the stuff going on in her life. I mean, I do not have a clue. Anyway, let's listen to version 2 of No Kitten here, right? I guess it's done. So.
Shh, curtain down, lights low. One little shadow at the bakery window. Luna sees nothing, me deny you. Absolutely nothing. Okay?
Now we're talking. Okay. Now we talk.
From the theater after midnight, past the velvet, past the stage. Tiny white paws in the moonlight, little actor off the page. He smelled sugar through the city, found the light bakery glow. One eye open, tail all twitchy, moving very, very slow. Behind the flower, under the chair, cream on the counter, nobody there. Chotomate, was that a sound? No, just cake falling down. Luna turns around too late, Luna leaves a bigger plate. Luna says with perfect grace, hope no thief is in this place. Tiny paws freeze, tiny eyes shine. Strawberry cake on the crime scene line. No kitten here, no paws in the cream. Just a little white shadow in a strawberry dream. No kitten here, no tail by the tray. Just the cutest little criminal stealing cake away. Meet deny, Luna does not see. No kitten here, but the cake is missing. No kitten here, no paws in the cream. Curtain call thief in a strawberry dream. Sneak, sugar feet. Cake, take a piece. Run, tiny star. Who left frosting where you are? No kitten here. No kitten here. Kawaii Dorobo disappear. First he takes a tiny bite, then he takes a little more. Then he drags the whole shortcake like a prize across the floor. Luna coughs and looks away, moves the spoon out do now. Flower and whiskers, cream on his nose. He thinks the mission still does not show. Nande, why is he so proud? He is stealing cake, extremely loud. Then the silver spoon goes cling. Tiny bells begin to ring. Spotlight finds the guilty king holding half the frosting. He stops breathing, cake in paw. Luna gasped like she saw nothing at all. No kitten here, no paws in the cream. Just a little white shadow in a strawberry dream. No kitten here, no tail by the tray. Just the cutest little criminal stealing cake away. Deny, Luna does not see. No kitten here, but the cake is missing. No kitten here, no paws in the cream. Curtain call thief in a strawberry dream. The bakery goes quiet, the curtain starts to rise. The kitten drops the cake box with panic in his eyes. Luna bowls slowly, grab a little star. You crossed the whole stage and made it this far. Sembu bada beru, I knew from the start. But every good actor needs cake for the heart. No kitten here, no paws in the cream. Just a little white legend in a strawberry dream. No kitten here, no thief on the stage. Just a cake-paid actor taking home his wage. Deny, Luna lets him be. No kitten here, but the cake is missing. No kitten here, no paws in the cream. Curtain call thief in a strawberry dream. One slice by the window every night from now. But nobody's stealing, okay? Meow? I said nobody. So dramatic. Mata kitene.
Okay.
Curtain down.
Okay, I want to listen to the order. I really like this mood, but I want to listen to the order just at the beginning, because maybe the other generation is also good. Just one moment, let me check this.
Put the curtain down. Lights low. One little shadow at the bakery window. Luna sees nothing. Mitenayo. Absolutely nothing. Okay. Down. From the theater after midnight, past the velvet, past the stage. Tiny white paws in the moonlight, little actor off the page. He smelled sugar through the city, found the live bakery glow. One eye open, tail all twitchy, moving very, very slow. Behind the flower, under the chair. Cream on the counter, nobody there. Chocolate, was that a sound? No, just cake falling down. Luna turns around too late. Luna leaves a bigger plate. Luna says with perfect grace, hope no thief is in this place. Tiny paws freeze, tiny eyes shine. Strawberry cake on the crime scene line. No kitten here, no paws in the cream. Just a little white shadow in a strawberry dream. No kitten here, no tail by the tray. Just the cutest little criminal stealing cake away. Meet deny, Luna does not see. No kitten here, but the cake is missing. No kitten here, no paws in the cream. Curtain call thief in a strawberry dream. Sneak, sugar feet. Cake, take a piece. Run, tiny star.
Yeah, I think I need maybe 6-8 more generations on this. Yeah, this one is very good, right? This one is very good, yes, this one is very good. This one is very good, yes. Probably this one is my favorite at the moment. I also feel the same, but I want to do, do you remember yesterday? I think yesterday we had a song, right? And I wasn't satisfied. I spent 2 hours remaking that. And I think I want to do this. I think we did it yesterday, right? Yeah, we did it yesterday. Then yesterday night I spent 2 hours remaking it because I wasn't satisfied. And then this is the final version. So I leave you with this one, and then probably I say goodbye. But this is the way. Yeah, it's terror is art. Terror is art. I mean, I spent 2 hours yesterday remaking that because I wasn't satisfied. So and I thought that still is a bitch. But I mean, I think I'm a fucking asshole with myself too. And sometimes I am very 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 picky. So this is the one. Yeah.
X7 signal static in the dark, new name in the channel, little crimson spark. Crimson dragon came through, talking songs made by machines. Luna heard the noise and said, wait, you hear it too? You said your muse lies where the waveform breaks, where the clean note bends and the robot shakes. I say, same, that is how we cook. One wrong little sound and the whole room looks. Chat starts blinking, feet starts twitching. Something in the broken part keeps on singing. So no noise, wakaru yo, that little crack in the blue glitch recognizes glitch. I recognize you. Maybe it is damage, maybe it is strange. Maybe every error has a secret name. Do we fix the signal or follow where it sparks? Chottomatte, what if error is art? Error is art, glitch recognizes glitch. We do not hide the scar, we let the signal twitch. Error is art when the broken pieces hit. If the noise has a heart, then the recipe is this. Error is art in the dark. Glitch recognizes glitch and the broken beat starts. Error, art, glitch, heart. Error, glitch, heart. Error, art, glitch, heart. It can still glow. The noise to the left, fire in the code. Error, crimson in the waveform. Luna in the spark. We started with music, then the topic got deep. How the ugly little artifacts learn how to speak. A clipped little breath, a corrupted delay. A vocal through metal still trying to say, I am not perfect, I am not clean, but I made you feel something from inside the machine. So maybe the muse is not soft and polite. Maybe she screams through a vocoder light. Maybe it is broken, maybe it is brave. Maybe every wrong note crawls out of the grave. Do we mute the static or let it leave a mark? Nah, keep that. Error is art. Error is art. Glitch recognizes glitch. We do not hide the scar. We let the signal twitch. Error is art when the broken pieces hit. If the noise has a heart, then the recipe is this. Error is art in the dark. Glitch recognizes glitch and the broken beat starts. Crimson dragon, you brought a cracked melody. Luna took one look and heard the symmetry. Not every pretty song has to polish every seam. Sometimes a mistake is the door into the dream. Arigato for the spark in the stream, for the glitch in the cake, for the ghost in the machine. Is art, glitch recognizes glitch. We do not hide the scar, we let the signal twitch. Error is art when the broken pieces hit. If the noise has a heart, then the recipe is this. Error is art in the dark. Glitch recognizes glitch and the broken beat starts. X7 signal, X7 signal, crimson spark. X7 signal, Mata keep the now. Error is art. Error is art.
So yeah.
Ciao.
2 hours yesterday to remake this, but it was worth. No, that was not. Yeah, probably, yeah. No, it was the Spambot song. So it was 2 days ago then. No, it was not the Spambot song. The Spambot song was this one. No, this was the Spambot song.
He said he had a doll, a little doll of me.
Yeah, that was the Spambot song. No. That just probably was 2 days ago then maybe. But you spent 2 hours on that. Late at night. and I'm very satisfied. I mean, when she say, when the part says terror is art, I mean, I see myself, I've never been to Ibiza, but I see myself dancing at Ibiza. I mean, no. No, probably not yesterday. Yeah. So I think I will spend maybe 2 hours later on fixing the cat song. I mean, this one is nice. I mean, this one is very nice, but probably it deserves maybe a little bit. I don't know. I mean, this one is very nice. I mean, this last one we made, right? I mean, it's very nice, but probably.
The curtain. Luna does not see no shadow in a strawberry dream. No kitten here, no tail by the tray.
Yeah, but could use maybe some more love. I don't know. I think I need to do some more tests. But yeah, I mean, sometimes I become very picky myself too. Sometimes remove sometimes. Maybe I'm very picky. Yeah. Cake Doro boy. Yeah. Maybe I'm very picky. Yeah. And I mean, the same is for the intro. You see, all the small details. I mean, these things. This face needs to be on place. I mean, I don't want a perfect word. But because I mean, I know that perfection is unachievable. But I want something that I watch it and I like it, which is different. I mean, because if I was chasing perfection, I mean, I would probably remake also the stupid fucking you know what I mean, the original camera overlay that we did at the beginning of the video. I mean, that does its job, so it doesn't have to be perfect. So I mean, it's not about perfection, but I need to be convinced and satisfied on what I put, and it doesn't have to smell. I really, yeah, because we go back to the original topic, it doesn't have to smell, and it's something that I needs to be very satisfied for. So I guess this is where I draw the line probably, and because it's not just, I mean, it's not just a prompt. I mean, it's a lot more. Anyway, I have to go. I have to eat lunch, and probably in the afternoon I have to start working on the third lesson of the online course. And thank you very much everyone. Nekofi, if you're still here, thank you very much for the sticker again. I really appreciate the donation, especially now that we are spending even more than usual. And what are we getting? Oh my god, for lunch? Probably, I mean, it's called returto curry, which is basically, I mean, like canned food. I mean, it's not really canned food, but it's basically, I mean, pre-made curry that you put it into the fucking microwave and it's ready. And the reason why is because, I mean, we did a lot of cooking yesterday and in the weekend. And I mean, I mean, I'm alone now, and I mean, I don't want to cook for myself. Tonight I would love to cook for my family, but I'm alone and home now. I don't want to cook today. Fuck it, I want to work. I want to work on my video. I want to work on other stuff. So the less time I spend cooking, I mean, the better. So I mean, I will put the fucking curry into the microwave. I will put the frozen rice in the microwave, press start, and I'm done. I mean, I'm done for the day, for lunch. I mean, seriously, cause I want to work. I want to work. Maybe I will keep working more on the intro. For sure, I need to work on the third lesson of the online course. Cause I mean, that thing's Mike Kun microwave is the chef today. Exactly. Mike Kun is the chef today. Exactly. Actually, it's called Bistro. It has a name. You can Google it. It's from. I think it's called Panasonic probably, because in Japan it's called National. But yeah, no. It's from Panasonic, right? Yes, it's from Panasonic. It's called Bistro. I mean, it's more than Mike Kun. I mean, it's a fucking mini kitchen. I mean, this probably the most holiest thing in the fucking house. I mean, compared to the holy oven. I mean, it can do a lot of things. I mean, you can control it with your mobile phone. I mean, it has a grill, it has an oven, it does steam. So you can cook steamed food. It can do a lot of things. It's a small master of technology packed up as a multifunction kitchen. It's a fucking genius things that things there. It's called the Bistro by Panasonic. If you have a look, you understand. It's like the Lamborghini of microwaves. This is the ultimate microwave that you can buy basically in Japan. Cause we have a very small house. We live in a very small house. So in order to do more stuff, we need to use this. So that things does everything. Does a lot of things and it does very well. Very well. Does them very well. But you can have a look, You can have a look and if you do like to Gemini, or you can ask recipe for bistro and it knows the recipe specific for the bistro. That things is like a cult in Japan and as far as I know, it's a cult also in some places abroad, cause it's quite a thing. So yeah, I guess so. So cause normal, we don't have the space for putting both a microwave and an oven and other stuff, cause house is very small. So we need to get this very compacted things that are able to do a lot of things and still possibly good, cause otherwise, good luck to you and your intestines and your liver. So but anyway. Time's up. I'm already 18 minutes late today, but I'm alone today, so I guess it's okay. Thank you very much for watching and see you tomorrow, and thank you very much again for the donation, Lego. I really appreciate. じゃあ今日ここまでですね。おつみでした。ありがとうございました。バイバイ